Ugh. Hello, people. Oh, I need to open. You know, I was gonna start the stream out today saying like, look, okay, last couple days I was planning on streaming, and then I just did nothing instead. So today we're getting right into it. Okay. Fuck the content. I give no shits. Okay. We gotta do work today. I want to get some shit done. All right. Cause it's been too long, and you know, look, the longer I do nothing, the more I, you know, the brain rot starts appearing more and more. Okay, hold on. Let me open. Go and then can we not play my stream? Thank you, stream manager. I need to. Okay. I should just close the stream manager permanently. I barely look at it, and also like. It just auto plays every time. Ah, whatever. Okay. Opened Godot. We're starting in game development category today because again, okay, we gotta get shit done. All right. So, let me run it and just kind of remember what I'm doing. Okay. Pretty sure we have the UI all working, right? I can move the. Didn't I fix that? Well, that's good. Okay. That's good, dude. That's great. That's an awesome. That's good. I can only put the item in the crafter. I can't move it in my inventory. All right. Well, we'll fix that, I guess, first. Hey, Mr. Lugswo, can you guess what I'm doing right now? Well, I mean, probably not the exact actions you're taking. Well, unless you're still farming pumpkins, bro. Tell me that is not the case. I need you, Ender, I need you to tell me that is not the case, okay? Brother. What's up, Sent? I want to check in really quick, but I'll be going again soon. Yeah, again, I'm sorry. I swear I was going to start streaming earlier today. Look, okay, you can blame Summoning Salt, alright? I should probably move back to here. I moved, but I was watching the Tetris video he made, and it was pretty good. So I was just watching it. So you know, Netherwart Pog, dude, dude, it's so different, dude. I bet you that it's totally not the same at all, and it's like way more interesting, right? For sure. Okay. Yeah, so it's not supposed to do that. I don't know why it deletes. I swear. Last time it was... whatever. Okay. I can move it between the crafter. Just not this for whatever reason. And also, like... It duplicated. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, it doesn't replace... Oh. Okay. There may be issues. What the fuck happened, bro? What? Oh, Lord. Okay. Well. I don't know how it broke this badly. Bro, I swear I swear. Last time I ended on like a good... I was like, oh, we're gonna end on a good, you know... a good feeling because it was working, but apparently no, that is not the case at all. Okay, well, yeah, I gotta. Well, he's playing Skyblock, like not like the map, the MMO game. So I'm pretty sure that everything insta breaks. Otherwise, like, I mean, I already fear for your mental health, Ender, but you know, it gets a little worse, huh? Okay, how the fuck does this... Why did it die? Why? Okay. Let me walk through what happens here, okay? Why does it died again? My code is all undocumented. Okay. So if it's the inventory... Okay, no. Okay, wait. So I believe first what happens is when... Yeah, okay. So if I'm clicking the inventory, it should give me the item and then remove the item. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have... Hold on. Why is streamer mode not on? Whatever, you know what? At least somebody joined the Discord, so it's a good thing. And not Omikai messaging me fucking garbage like every day what happens in my mind, you know? The best farm designs are the ones breaking 20 blocks per second with as little attention or buttons needed. Wait, hold on. Why do you have to manually mine them, though? Like, why not use a minion? Are you going for the world fucking #1? What do you call? You're getting... What? I don't understand, dude. It takes 99999x longer with a minion. I mean, yeah, but then you don't have to do work, okay? You know, like, then you don't have to do things with your hands. I mean, did they nerf minions since, you know, Technoblade's Potato War video? Because that's, you know, that's where I know from. I know, like, you know, he was farming potatoes manually because he needed the fucking, what do you call it, right? Doesn't count towards your garden milestones either, and you don't get fermento. Oh, okay. Minions were dog. Well, I mean, I don't disagree that they were slow, but like, okay, no, they weren't that slow. Like mining. I mean, again, it's been a while since I watched the Potato War videos, but if my mind serves me correctly, like manually farming potatoes, even on a giga broken hoe on a huge thing, it wasn't like more than 2x the minions, right? Or am I misremembering? I mean, again, maybe I am. I could be wrong. Okay, anyways. So what the fuck happened, dude? So, okay, clearly this give item, take item is evil. Because, okay, what I assumed would happen, right, is if I click, you know, this into my... Yeah, okay, so it just instantly dies. Great, all right. Let's breakpoint here. Okay, so it's gonna give me 1 and 5 of them. Yeah, okay. And then it's gonna take 1. Oh. 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 That sucks, dude. Okay. Bro, okay. Well, at least it makes sense. Yeah, okay. So I just need to well, okay. I need to basically store the previous count, because give item, it basically I'm giving myself the item and then removing the item, but I already have it. So it's like I give the child like a candy bar, and then the candy bar deletes itself, you know, like I take all the candy bars afterwards. it's I have unlimited games but no games. Yeah. Techno farmed 500 million potatoes. The max milestone needed is 208 million. Bro! What the fuck, dude? No, I'm not making the cursor an inventory slot. The cursor just has an item on it. The inventory slot itself is different. See, it has an inventory slot inside of it. This is what you clicked on previously, so I can figure out what's coming from where. So if I take from the inventory and put it on the crafter, I want to be able to remove from the inventory, right? I think it's a little bit over-engineered and like kind of crappy, but I can fix her. Okay, trust. All right, I can fix her. Okay, I mean, okay, I can fix the issue right now. All I need to do is just like, item count. And I just set this equal to, this beforehand. Okay, and then we set item count here. Okay, surely it won't delete my items now, huh? Yeah, it's just a reference. Yeah. So if I do this... Oh, because this is a reference. Wait, is it a... Hold on, okay. 5. No, what the fuck? It's chill, dude. Okay, hold on. Take item. Yes. Inventory of item this. Well, it's conveyor, right? Which one's conveyor? This one's conveyor oh yeah, 10. Why did it die, though? Okay. I mean, it shouldn't... What? Okay, I can move between crafter and inventory, but that's about it. This is safe. Everything else... How does... Okay, hold on. Okay. And, is not a hotbar. Okay, let me... Those two things. This will fix the hotbar problem. So if I put this in my hotbar, cool. That's good. Yeah, alright. We can do that multiple times. Yeah, okay, Gucci. I mean, I need to be able to overwrite. That's fine. So then what the fuck, dude? Why does it delete itself? Okay, hold on. If I do this, does it go to 0? No, I still have 5. But it doesn't show 5 in there? Oh. Ah! Okay, I give them the item, I take the item, and then item on cursor, item slot read. Oh, because this is being reset here. Okay. You know, the more I think about it, the more I feel like... Well, I mean, I guess I kind of am. I don't know. Well, okay. Basically, what I was thinking of before, like, I was thinking just like, it would probably be a lot easier and make a lot more sense to just have the inventory every frame or two, you know, just update itself with the player inventory inside internals. That way, you know, whenever I change shit around, it's always Gucci. But I'm already here. I'm close to getting it to. So okay, basically the problem is that I give them the 5 items, I take the 5 items, and then what do you call it? Then it deletes the items because it's not the hotbar. Dumb. Which is stupid. Okay, the hotbar is not references. I was gonna do it that way, but I couldn't figure out in a reasonable amount of time, and by reasonable amount of time I mean like 5 minutes, how to get Godot reference, like, child references are weird, and a child can only be a child to one thing. You can't have 2 parents. I guess Godot lives in a world of single mothers and fathers. So it just, I don't know, it was like kind of a mess. So I'm just copying the data over. I mean, I'm basically doing a deep copy. But they reference each other. That's essentially, no. It's not a deep copy. It's a shallow copy where all the data is still I'm basically setting up pointers to point at the original stuff. Why are you trying to do it like that? I don't know, because it was if I could have figured out how to do it just by reference, I would have. But like, I swear it wasn't working because, again, a child cannot be parented to 2 things. Yeah, it can't be parented to 2 things. and I wanted to just duplicate them, you know. Keep in mind your nodes are not the items; they should just be the visuals for the items. Yeah. No, that's correct. But I wanted to duplicate the visuals for the node, for that to be the reference. But I couldn't do that, so I'm copying over all the pointers to the inventory, you know. I just have to fix. Look, if we fix this, it'll all be fine. Okay, trust, trust. If I fix all these items, it'll all be fine. Okay. But how do I fix? Okay, hold on. Let me think about it for 2 seconds. Right. So, I give the player 5 items, and then I take them. I mean, I probably should just not do it that way. I probably like. Yeah. Wait. I'm fucking stupid, dude. Okay, let's just. We just have an early exit. If it's an inventory and item on cursor, item slot, inventory, do nothing. Just go home, okay? That should fix this issue, right? Oh, okay. It should not do nothing. It has to do a tiny bit. It has to reset this. Why did that just happen? Oh, class? No. Okay. You just leave! We're fine! We're cool! So now I do it. If I move the coin here, cool. Good. That's what's supposed to happen. Okay, so let me try this. If I put this in my hotbar and then move it to the crafter, what happens? It works, dude! And I can't... Okay. Hold on, let me put the crafter here, open it, and move it back, and then do this, and then put it back, and then put it here. Fixed, baby! I mean, okay, this is really when I should, what do you call, like, fix, like, or have tests. Because it's really gonna break, like really badly, I'm sure. So that's not great, you know, but it's okay. I mean, well, okay, hold on. So I put this in here and I put this in here, it doesn't break, right? And I put this in here and I put this over here and it doesn't break. Okay. yeah, unit tests. I do, like, okay, look. As much as I hate writing the unit tests, I think unit tests are like the GOAT after they're done, you know? Having a pre-submit is it's pretty good, you know? Did I get new music? No, actually, well, okay, technically yes. I didn't get new music. It's when I moved PCs from my old work PC to this one, I didn't bring over all the music on accident. And then they recently added the Octopath Traveler 2 play like soundtrack to Spotify. So I've just been using that. By the way, does anyone actually know if Spotify is it still, what do you call, illegal to use in stream technically? I mean, like, I know that they're not gonna crack down on it, like, obviously, you know. They're very obviously they don't care. But I'm just, you know, I'm just wondering. Yes? Okay, well, I mean, not Spotify. I mean, again, the amount of YouTube shorts I see of, like, rating my viewers, what do you call, fucking, like, transitions, obviously they don't care. But, like, you know, I'm just asking to know. Yes, I'm using Windows Media Player. I love Windows Media Player. It makes me really happy. I mean, okay. It seems less buggy than I thought it would be, if I'm being honest. I thought it would be way more buggy. So I'm kind of good with... I'm okay with that, you know? I thought it would be way buggier already. So... We're gonna let it ride, okay? I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and we'll probably run into the errors later, okay? Almost assuredly, and then we fix them when we get there, okay? Okay, we get there when we get there, all right? Windows Media Player is kind of good. I wouldn't say that. Look, okay. I used to, like, I mean, look, I still use... Well, okay, not Windows Media Player. I use... Hold on, let me open my VODs. Where the fuck is my VOD folder? There it is. It's like this thing. I guess this is still Windows Media Player. But I swear, when you're looking at 10-hour VODs with this shit, it does not work, dude. Like, at all. Also, okay, here's the real complaint. Why is there a 30-second skip ahead button and not a 30-second skip button? It's 30 and 10. What the fuck is that, dude? Yeah, no, I know. That's why I said this one. It's the old one is way better. This one sucks ass. But like, I swear, like, I scroll through and it does not work. And then again, I don't know why it's plus 30 minus 10. What is that, dude? Like, imagine on YouTube, you double tap right, it goes forward 30 seconds. You double tap left, it goes back 10. That would be horrible. I don't know what's wrong with. I genuinely don't know. Like, whoever made the UI for this shit, delete them, dude. Okay. Whoops. Wait, hold on. Okay. Also, I need to clean this VODs folder up, dude. I used to be so good about like sorting them into like folders up here, you know. And these are dude. I could not tell you what a single one of these VODs is, dude. I have no fucking clue. I should probably start going back to doing that, huh? But okay. That's configurable on YouTube, and your brother does that for some... Okay. Maybe your brother just really loves Windows, you know? Does he work for Microsoft? Maybe he's a big Microsoft lover, you know? Well, okay, so I have the inventory working. Okay, it works. All right, and we're gonna call it working until it doesn't. Okay, so next up, currently all the UI is just, you know, all the UI is fake right now. So we need to give each crafter its state and inventory, you know what I mean? So I made this iCrafter CS, which has an iTile inventory CS, which has like these, and then I guess does this need to be implemented here? I guess so. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, so I want the crafter. Yeah, it inherits from that. Oh. Wait, do I have to do this? Okay. Now it's cool. Crafter cannot implement an interface because it is not public. What? Do I have to do this? Okay. I don't understand. Once again, maybe, you know, it's hard to understand how and what an interface is, okay? Oh, you're right. Yeah, auto implement. Genius. I gotta use the light bulb. Yes. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I basically want all of them to have an items, right? I guess I just... Can I just do this? Does that work? Is that chill? No, but that's gonna get a new... Okay, no. I need to do this. I need to do... Hold on. I know what I'm doing. I swear. Hold on. No. I know what to do. It's fine. I need to do... This needs to be called something else. What do I call this, dude? Naming things is too hard, bro. Every time I make a new variable, it's like naming a child. Best way to do interfaces is functions, not random members. I mean, I agree, but I really want it to have... every inventory needs to have an inventory, right? Like, it needs to have an items to get. Like, I mean, okay, inventory. Look at that. I'm a genius. I can just do this. This will work for what I want, right? Like, that's chill. It's just annoying to do every time, you know? It's pretty annoying to have to do this every time, but this is basically what I want. I always want the items to be accessible from anything with an iTile inventory, right? That's pretty much it. Okay. Naming the node grandchild. But what if that child has a node? Then is it great grandchild? Okay, think about this. When do I have to binary search the middle and then have that be child, and then there's parent and grandparent? Because, like, okay, think about this, right? If there's parent and then child, then we're already at grandchild, right? And then it just keeps going. It would be optimal to have the focal reference point be in the middle somewhere, so there's an equal number of grandparents and grandchildren. Okay. Is your crafter even using iTile inventory? iTile crafter it takes from iTile inventory, so yes, I am. So basically, I probably should put more thought into this, more forethought into what I do. But, like, what if I just don't do that? I mean, okay, hold on. So basically my idea, right, is that every crafter in the game will be able to, you know, craft stuff, like, right? And then I just want to be able to make it so that everything that can craft, I just slap in it. Like, basically anything that has inventory, I slap iTile inventory on, and it's Gucci, right? Then, everything that it crafts, I just slap iCrafter on, and it's also Gucci. That's the goal, because that seems smart to me, at least. Like, I can almost treat an interface kind of. Okay, let me explain it this way. In my mind, code-wise, I'm treating interfaces like components, right? So rather than having what do you call it? Like a crafter component, I just make an interface for the crafter component, and then everything when it inherits, I can have it inherit from all those things, and it'll have all the functions that I need it to have, right? That's in my mind how I'm using interfaces. Is that a good way? I don't know, but it seems good to me. I think when you make a new child variable, you need to rename all parent variables to move them up a generation. I guess that is how it works in real life, right? You only go from grandparent to great grandparent. You don't go from grandparent. Wow. Oh, I guess if they die. Oh, okay, never mind. Let's move away from it. That's it turned dark very quickly. You know what's actually crazy, by the way? You wanna know what the real crazy thing is, by the way? Bro, I don't know how that happened. The last stream did not get demonetized, bro. Look, the green, it's still on. That's crazy. I need you to understand, I was unhinged for the first, like, 20 minutes of this stream. I don't know how it's still monetized, but we take those, okay? So hopefully we keep the streak up, okay? Especially because, again, look, game dev VODs, they get views, okay, post-stream. Now, again, where the fuck are my... YouTube, where's my views now, bro? Okay? But whatever, okay? We gotta keep the green... The green here is the most important one, you know what I'm saying? What's up, Sergey? How's it going, man? Hold on 1 second. Okay, so right. So we want to basically what I want to do is in the crafter, right? I want to add state here. So we've got this inventory, and that's going to be our state, right? And then insert item, remove item. Those are going to be, you know, interacting with this, obviously, because that makes sense, right? And then, we'll have this. Whenever you click on the crafter, we will have it so that it will populate this UI with the correct info, you know? That's the plan, okay? Plan for today is to do that. Well, actually, I have 2 plans, okay? I have 2 goals today. I mean, they're related. The overall goal is going to be to get a crafter working. So I want to build a craft. Hold on, where's my item list? I want to craft a conveyor. So I should, hopefully by the end of today, we can put a coin into a crafter and we will get a conveyor after some amount of time, okay? That's the goal today. I think it should be doable. Because we're pretty far along now in terms of getting the crafter to work. We have the UI, the inventory working. All we gotta do, populate the UI and have it go bloop, 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 and then it makes it, right? So. That's the plan. And I'm hoping it doesn't take 9 hours. Because I started today's stream like a little bit later than I wanted to, you know? Why not make a tile inventory that has the inventory code and then have iTile inventory make the implementer and have a tile inventory member variable? Wait, why not have a tile inventory that has the tile inventory code and then have iTile inventory make the implementer have an iTile inventory? Oh. Well, okay. The only reason I'm doing it differently is because can insert item should be different for, okay, so for example, a crafter, I mean, I don't want to open Factorio again. Don't feel like it, but okay, in game, right? Let's say I make a crafter and the crafter is only like, it shouldn't be like, okay, if it takes in only gear, like iron plates to make a gear, it shouldn't be able to take in anything other than an iron gear, right? By the way, dude, okay, I got a new water bottle. Like, it's the same one as before because it's like $5. But this new one, I mean, like, the other one was just getting old. There was too much, like, there was some like whack-looking colors on the inside, so I got rid of it. Okay, it's been like 5 years. I probably have sucked up more plastic particles from that water bottle than my whole life. But this new one, hold on. I don't know if you can hear this. I need you to listen, okay? It's not doing it. Oh wait. I think it's too quiet. It like, for whatever reason, when I suck up the water in my mouth, it whistles. It's really strange, and I don't really know why. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of wacko, dude. Class tile inventory, interface, iTile inventory. Oh. Is that better? Is that better? I mean, I guess I don't see why it's better. I mean, I guess if anything, what I should probably do, like, okay, for example, can insert item. If the crafter is full, then that should always be, it should always return false. There's nothing that if it's full in it like taking more items would be bad. Like that should never happen ever, right? However, comma, yeah, I don't know. Okay, maybe that is a better idea. Well, okay, I'm seeing a couple issues, right? No Zeus 3 out of 10. You don't know that, Pajit. What if I put Zeus in right now? Okay, the problem I'm realizing is that I am going to have to re-implement like probably 5 times. Can insert item if inventory is full, then return, which is bad. You know, we don't want that. We don't love that. But like, how do fix? Can tell what you're thinking. You should just have an accepted items filter. Yeah, no, I'm gonna. That's what iCrafter is supposed to do. Inside of here, there's gonna be like, you know, a dictionary of items that can go in basically. So rather than an inventory, it's gonna be like kind of like the dirt chest 9000 from Minecraft, where only dirt gets to go in, right? Yeah. So that's one thing. Dude, thinking is fucking too hard, bro. You know, that's the real reason I stream chat, so that then chat can think for me. Thinking is my job, you know. I don't like doing my job on when I don't have a job. Yeah, storing one stack of dirt is so good, you know. But yeah, so okay. The real issue I'm seeing is that can insert item is going to have some level of base code. It might not be that much, but it is going to be some level. And an insert item, I believe, is always going to be the same. So why is this chatter complaining about a lack of Greek god in this very early development game? Pajimp was here when I was playing Hades 2 on stream, and I got Zeus, and Zeus was probably the most dog shit, dog ass fucking god in that game. His boon is the most worthless thing ever, but then I almost won. So, you know, maybe Zeus is onto something, bro, you know? No, not two types. Well, okay. Yes, actually, the crafter is gonna, like, this, you should not be able to, you shouldn't be able to put things in here, right? Like, that would be bad. I don't want to be able to put items into the output of the crafter. But, I mean, again, that's not, like, I mean, see, this to me is where, like, okay, like, does Godot, it doesn't have components, right? Like okay, you know, for me, where I come from, right? Where I come from, making custom engines, I didn't ever go to ECS. Like, I made one once, and I was like, I don't really understand what's happening, and it's like harder for me to implement, so I just didn't. But so I make a component system. And I just have, like, you know, list of components polymorphorized, and then you check if the thing has the component, and then you do it, right? And then you just, like, that's what I've done before. Is that what it's called? Composition? Okay, how do, wait, is there, hold on, let's Google Godot composition. Your new job's ECS in Unreal? Or in a, what do you call? In a, what am I talking about? In a custom engine. In Unreal? I thought Unreal was like, not, well, I mean, I don't know what Unreal is, realistically speaking. Yeah, so I assumed components were basically children, which I don't want to set, like, setting up the whole game like that, I feel like goes against how Godot should be programmed in. You know? Like, yeah, so you can inherit from scenes, which is the big thing. And yeah, Godot's nodes do not work like components in some other game engines. Because, yeah, so what I would like to do, like, again, coming from where I make, the way I've designed all my engines in the past is I would make a craft or an inventory component and then a crafter component that would inherit from the inventory component. And then inside of there, it would, you know, like do X, right? Now, the reason why I can't just do inheritance for that reason is because I need the class itself. Like, for example, all inventories should still be able, or I should be able to call these 4 things, right? And I need to be able to know if it's an inventory up front. So that's why I was going to use interfaces, right? That to me is what makes sense. Yeah, child nodes. Yeah. Like, so like this has a player component essentially, right? I understand I could still, but like again, it's nothing else I've made so far has those. You know what I mean? Like I guess if I came out the gate swinging with that system, it'd be cool. But as it stands right now, nothing else has, like, if I make a component system, it's gonna be used for very few things, I feel like. Because again, that's it feels to me like that's, I don't know, it feels backwards, I guess. Like Godot, it doesn't want me to do it that way. That's what it personally it feels like. Saying you screwed yourself and the engine isn't helping you. I mean, I don't think I screwed myself. It's more, again, it's more the way I do things. It's harder for me to wrap my head around how to do it the correct way. You know what I mean? Take things from DDD and clean architecture. I have no idea what that means, brother. Duper Donkey Kong. I don't care about CRLF, bro. Come on. Don't show the dialogue. Nobody cares. Okay. Domain-driven design. I don't even know what that is, dude. Domain-driven design. A major software design approach focusing on modeling software to match a domain according to input. Oh, okay. So DDD would be basically like listening to Godot and doing things the way they want me to do it. Kinda. King DDD coding? Dude, I ain't Kirby coding, dude. Where I just suck all my code. Okay. Okay. I think that's, I'm gonna go with what said originally, which is to have a class and then have an interface that just makes you define said class. And that is gonna be how I do like a component, right? Right, like I can basically make it so that a like, okay, so I can, you know, have these four base things for the inventory, right? And it'll have, rather than having to do what the fuck, okay, here, rather than having to do this every time, well, I mean, I'll have to do that every time, but to make the class, right? And then inside of that, it'll just, you know, we'll just call the same functions. Yeah, okay. This is more complex than I really, yeah, okay. I really should think about it more than, huh? Class inside of that can just do all the definition settings and stuff, so it can define whether slots are read-only and such. Yeah, well, the read-only slots, those are gonna, I can do those. I'm doing those probably in inventory item, wherever the fuck that is. Because all of these, like, these boxes are all the same guy, and all the logic between these is handled somewhere else. Which I don't know if that's the greatest way to do it, but whatever, you know. Also means you can have more than one inventory per class. Oh. Okay, I don't think I'm ever going to want to do that, though. I think one inventory per class is fine. I really do. Like, I don't think I ever want to do that. Probably. So I'm new here and I don't know much about programming. Well, me and you are the same, brother. Me and you are the same. Okay, well, I wouldn't say I don't know much. I mean, you know, it's a little bit of an under exaggeration, I guess. But when it comes to Godot and doing good programming, that's where we're true. Okay, that's true. I guess it does open you up to. It keeps me non-limited, which would be good. I mean, okay, you know what? This is the first time I'm actually going to say that I don't know. Like, I think thinking it through is going to take a really long time. And it's like, it's going to take longer than it will to just implement it, get it to work, and then refactor later. So I'm just going to do it. You know, I'm just going to, so we make a class, not public, for once ever, tile inventory. And this guy is just gonna have these 4. And then this guy oh, these do need to be public though in here. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, these need to be public. Yeah, okay. yeah, okay. Okay. Can I have a problem when you close crafter? No, that should be fine, I think. Because the crafter is it's gonna be like the UI for the crafter is not related to the crafter itself. It's just reading data from it, right? So it should be fine. Like the UI doesn't ever change, or this UI is just updated per crafter you click on. That's how I want to do it. Okay, why not public? I mean, I guess I can make it public, but it's like cool not to, you know, because then I just have to do this. Tile inventory, inventory get. Oh, what? Okay. Okay, fine. It has to be public, I guess. If you do it this way, you can make the interface just a getter for the tile inventory, so getting it isn't cringe. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. That's literally what, right? Is what you mean? This is all I'm doing, right? And then we're chilling. And then yeah, so I now need to implement these functions. Is the factory in the Factorio-like game? You know what, Pip? Actually, this time we're getting there. Okay, I would say we're actually getting there today for real. I mean, if we get to where I want to get to today, it will be real, you know. So okay, I need to do first things first. We need to have a just int like max items. I guess this is equal to 0 for now. So if items dot count is greater than or equal to max items, then we return false. And then else, and then we just return true down here. Yeah. So basically, if there's something, if it's no, hold on. Okay, first we need to do if ID is in items dot keys. No. Items in dot keys. Right, I can just do items dot contains, right? It contains key ID. So if we do this, then we want to return true. Then if the items are greater than the max amount of items in there, then we want to die. Right now we get actually programming progress with generic implementation. I mean, yeah, like I said, I didn't realize that this, I mean, is this normal? Is this like a normal thing to do? I would have never thought about doing it this way, to be fair, but I guess it makes sense. I don't know. Interfaces are very weird, bro. Interfaces are really weird. If items dot contains key. I don't. What are you casting, dude? This is a common strategy? Okay, good. I mean, it makes sense to me in my head, right? Like, I mean, honestly, with C# and interfaces, you basically could do composition with just this, right? Because this is also like it removes the issue of, so the thing that sucks about making just like a vector of components is that every time you want to find one, you have to iterate, which sucks, right? Now, again, if you're smart, you put it in the ready function and then you store the reference to it, right? But you can just always get it instantly now, which is great. Well, I don't know how the as keyword works under the hood, but surely it would be fast, right? Right? Surely. Okay, so can remove item is just if items dot contains key ID. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. That's stupid. Okay. Also, I'm realizing now, actually, these should just be... Well, okay, I'll leave them public, but this should just be if can insert item. Or, yeah, not... Okay, hold on. Yeah, there we go. Look at that, dude. It knows. Yeah, and then now we can just do items contains... Or no, items just... I should be able to just do this, right? Oh. Okay, int count plus equals count. Okay. Is this how composition is done in GDScript? Okay, good. So you're saying that this code might not be terrible? This guy's crazy, dude. Okay, can't remove item. So if it has the ID, okay, hold on. This needs to have an int count, right? Oh fuck, what did I just do? Okay. Int count. If items ID is greater than or equal to the count. Oh wait, am I stupid? If the amount of items is okay. Then we return true, and then outside we just return false, right? Fun noisy cat. What if you don't have an item with that ID? Wait, if I don't, why? That's why if there is no oh no, this needs to return false. I'm stupid, right? Wait, if items that count is okay. Okay, I'll just do this. This is a better way of doing it, right? Technically. But yeah, so basically if it can't I believe what do you call, if I do this, doesn't it create one, or do I have to call insert? Okay, I know that in C++ maps do that, you know. Oh, right, okay, yeah. But so, okay. There we go. Now it's... I was thinking of implementing a what do you call, an insert. This does... Oh, it doesn't set it to 0 though. Okay, no, you're right. Yeah, hold on. Okay, here, let me just do it this way, right? Equals 0 or equals count. There. I don't look... Adding one if statement in there, it's not gonna break the bank, okay? But I just want to make sure that it's cool, because yeah, I don't know if it actually zeroes them out or not, and yeah, I don't really give a shit. Set upright on the dicts is gonna create the entry for you. Yeah. I mean, probably. I mean, like, if C++ does it, there's no way that C# doesn't, right? That's like, that'd be crazy, bro. That'd be insane. Okay, so now for remove item, if it contains the key and the count, yeah, okay, that's good. And then so now we just do if can remove item And then I don't know why. I don't understand how these didn't get here, but that's fine. That's cool, you know. Let me just return. Oh. Wait. Oh, right. I want to return the ID. Well. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Okay. Never mind. Right. Right. Okay. This is wrong. Remove item. Okay. So I'm treating inventory tile like this is the base. Like as in it literally just has stuff. Right. I don't think I'm gonna have chests in my game, just because I don't want to deal with. I don't want to deal with it. But I don't. So I'm planning on not having chests right now, right? But I want to treat this essentially as if I were to implement the chest, how it would work. So can remove items should just be, are there items to remove, and if so, do it, right? Because for example, also like in crafters, they only have one spot to remove. Don't do that. Okay, let me lock this. Anyways, hold on. Let me lock all the shit that should be locked. I mean, this whole thing should be locked, realistically speaking. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, there we go. There we go. What about you? Should I insert more than max count? I have no max count. That's why I'm not having chests. Yeah, maybe I will in the future, but as of right now, basically the reason why I don't want to add chests is because I don't want buffering to be a strat. Basically, like, okay, let's say that, like, stage 1 of the game is like, oh, you gotta get iron for the people for round 1, and then round 2 is like, oh, you gotta get copper now or whatever, right? Technically, you could start buffering copper in round 1, and then just cheese round like the second, like, whatever item that you need to make, right? So I don't know, right? But yeah, the can function, this should just be basically if not items not empty. They don't have an empty call, and then I press the fucking bro. Hold on. Chat. What does this key do? Why does this exist? Does anyone know? Hold on. This key. Hello, focus. Any focusers? Dude, I should just buy a non-shitter camera, dude. Like, I know that costs money, but like this piece of shit has no white balance, has no fucking, like, the autofocus is the most dog shit thing ever, Okay, it's the menu key. Okay, but why is it here? It doesn't need it, dude. I hate this. The menu key is the most dog shit thing ever. Okay, I'll just do items keys dot count. Oh, that doesn't. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've got the blur key. No way. Take an ID and an account that defaults to 1. Return true if the entry exists and has more items in the param. Well, okay, so what? I guess I want 2. I want 2 can remove items. I want to have. Here, okay, hold on. Let me actually let's undo really quickly back to where we were before. Now that I think about it, I think that's better. So this will be can remove item of an ID and account, right? And then yeah, I think you're right. I should have these both default to 1. And that seems good. And then I want to have another one of the same thing, can remove item, and this one will be empty. This one's just gonna be like, like, again, so for a chest, if I want to remove only a certain type of item, we call this one. For everything else, we call this one. So if it's just like, oh, like for example, like in Factorio, if you have an inserter facing out, or like trying to take out of a what do you call? Out of a crafter, it's always trying to, right? You know what I mean? Might have left right now. Look, if you gotta sleep, look, you gotta take your own health a lot more importantly than this stream. Okay, like if the game dies, that's not me. If you're tired, you don't feel bad. Okay. Maybe has an item's better. I mean, it's okay. I'll leave it like this for now as an overload. But, you know. Don't worry, I'm here to save the day. Yeah! Yeah, if the game fucking sucks and doesn't work. Okay, no, if it sucks, it's not a skill issue. And that is a I hate design issue, okay? But if it crashes, then it's a skill issue. I'll agree with that part, okay? I'll 100% agree with that one. If the game lags and crashes, that's on me. Okay, if it doesn't design, then I only took 1 year of design class and I didn't really like it that much. So, you know. Also, if anything, the reason why the game is gonna suck is because the UI is gonna suck. And that one I blame on the universe for making video games have to have UI. How come I just can't plug my brain into the computer and it just works, dude? You know? Godot games shouldn't crash. Is that a challenge? Have you seen how many times the game has stopped responding? Oh no, bro. The game sure has stopped responding the hundreds of times live on stream. So okay, so then this one will just be if okay, I gotta do the cringe way, whatever, who cares? Not me, dude. Look, it's fine. We just bool empty equals true. We gotta do it the cringe way. I'm sure that there's a way that dictionary could be used smarter, but whatever. Actually, oh, maybe this should actually be faster. Maybe. Oh, look, it ignores it. I mean, that's true. That is true. I'm playing Persona 5, so my brain cells are Mia. Well, it's okay. My brain cells are always Mia, so, you know, what's the issue? Alright, audio sent. Get some sleep. I swear one day I'll stream early. I promise. I shouldn't promise that. I shouldn't promise things I shouldn't promise things I cannot keep. Actually, it's not cannot. I definitely could. Like, streaming at, like, 12 really wouldn't be that difficult. It's just, you know... Difficult versus happening are two different things, you know. Oh, items.any? Is that's what you're saying? Okay. So if items.any. Oh. Well, okay. Actually, so the reason why that probably doesn't work, Sergey, is because if the item goes to okay, I guess I could have it so if the item goes to 0, then we remove the dictionary for. I mean, I guess I should probably do that actually. You're right. Yeah. Okay, items.any, and I just do any int right there. Actually, I can just do this. Dude, is this guy a genius, dude? Holy shit. Oh. Wait, like this? No. What is this? Bool, enumerable, any. Oh. Wait, no, yeah, okay, like this, right? Is it not chilling? Okay, there we go. What? Huh? Dictionary int does not contain a definition for any and no accessible Yeah, I think that's right. That's what I was just saying. I think if I reach 0 items, I should just delete the entry, because otherwise we could get like 1 million fucking, you know, that's a big mem leak, right? Well, not memory leak, but it's like cringe. Does items.count exist? Oh. Okay. you know, sometimes it just works, huh? Oh, return this greater than 0. Fixed. I did it. And then in here, so we're gonna have another one that does nothing, right? Oh, is it a method? I'm just too used to C#, dude. Okay. I mean, I think they both do the same thing in this case. But wait, hold on. So if I do this, does it also work? Nah, okay, whatever. We're going to count my king, dude. Okay, so if it cannot remove the item, then we return false, and then oh no. Then we return ID. Oh. How do I want this to work again? Wait, what is remove item supposed to do? It's supposed to, okay. How do I want to use remove item? So if I call remove item and I have an ID in mind, then I should yeah, okay. It should just return the ID. Yeah. Return bool if succeeded. You already know what you're removing. I guess that is yeah, okay. That's a good idea. For this one, it will be bool, and we return true. We return false here, and then I need to decrement items ID minus equals count, and then if items ID less than or equal to, or I guess I could just do equals 0, then items dot remove ID, and then return true. But that's count property, it's better than any. Yeah, because yeah. I mean, like I said, I love using properties, you know. Do less than or best, don't exception if it's negative. I mean, fine, dude. Here, we'll do this. If items ID less than 0. How do I even fucking throw new runtime exception? Can I just throw an exception? Just any exception? Item count is negative. I mean, this like literally should never hit, so I'm not really worried, you know. But whatever. No, I'm not frustrated by being a good programmer. Well, okay, that's not true. That's definitely true now that I think about it. I was gonna say, like, I'm not frustrated by being forced to be a good programmer, but that is definitely not fucking true, bro. The amount of times that I am forced to be a good programmer and, like, write a wiki page, oh, dude. Awful. Trash, dude. Use invalid operation except, okay. Look, if there's one thing I learned about in, in the game development professional environment, is that you never throw exceptions, actually. Error handling is a myth, chat. I think in the 2 years I worked, I wrote 0, and actually every time someone wrote an assert, or a C assert to, like, try to be smart, it actually just made my life fucking horrible, because they would always break, and then I would have to go through and comment them all out. So, what I've learned is actually that you just shouldn't give a shit, dude, and just let the game, just let it, you know, if it dies, whatever, bro. Okay, so then in this one, I want to remove, I guess technically, it should try to remove the thing in the first slot, but that doesn't really exist. So how do I mean, it should always be the same one, I guess, is the big thing, right? But if I don't have chests, okay, hold on. I'm gonna go pee real quick. I'll be back, and then I'll figure it out. Okay. chat. I have something to show you, okay? So again, recently I replaced my old water bottle with this one, okay? I seen this recently, okay? These are the same water bottle, right? But like, can you see that this one it's a very like different color and more see-through than the other one? That's how much plastic is in my body. I'm dying, baby. So that's pretty cool, you know? Okay. I don't actually know if it's plastic that like degrade. I mean, it's probably more like sun damage, but also I don't go outside, so maybe not. And maybe I really do have an extra pound of plastic inside of me currently. Sometimes exception's good, sometimes result templated is better. I mean, again, yes and no, Sergey, because like it in my again. Oh, okay. This is coming from like if solo project, I think it's fine to have. I mean, it's probably better to have exceptions, right? But in a big game, I think for anything that's really not really important, it's actually better to not have them. I'm not like I'm really not joking. Like, have a note for yourself, you know? Maybe put it in like the pre-submit, but the amount of times that errors get broken in a professional environment is just sucks, dude. Like, oh, I should. I don't want to drink out of that one because that one has mold in it. Okay, remove item. Yeah, okay, whatever. It's for a reason. Well, okay. Again, I understand that it's like it's more like, okay, so I'm as an online engineer, right? A lot of the time, all I care about is getting to the front end, right? Nothing else. I just want to get to the front end and test my little Python script or whatever the fuck it is, right? And almost every developer, except for the people working on the front end, do not care about the front end, and they do not test the front end. So their asserts all break every single time I run the fucking game. and they don't crash the front end. So again, that's my issue. Like, again, if it's gonna crash the game, like, I mean, to me, just let it crash the game then. Fucking whatever, dude. If it's gonna crash the game, don't assert before it crashes. Just let it die, and then have a print debug statement somewhere or something. I don't know, man. The only good ones are C asserts, because C asserts at least then it's like I don't fucking you know, it's bad. I mean, like, I don't disagree. You're gonna have some things too, but yeah, personally for me. Coming from a professional, I mean, well, okay. I say professional. You know how many times? Hold on. Can we talk about this, chat? Do you know how many times, like, some fucking guy would just push his code and not press the pre-submit button, dude? And then everything's just broken for like 5 minutes, or actually like an hour, because he presses submit and says, "Ah, done for the day. I'm gonna go get lunch now." And then everything's just fucking dead. You know how often that happens, bro? Not a single developer I knew and talked to and worked with ever said that syncing to head was a good idea. Literally ever. It was never a good idea. You should find a CL that works and then never sync to head ever again until you really have to. And even then, it's better to just get the CL you need. So again, I've only worked at one company, so I don't know if I'm just throwing shade at Treyarch or not, but you know. It's not. I mean, I've heard plenty of stories from my other friends who work in AAA development, and it's pretty similar. Yeah. I think maybe it's. I mean, again, like I said, I think for a solo project, I think having exceptions is actually a great idea, and you should always do it because you're the only. Or like even a small team, like where I can figure out immediately who broke the game and then ping them or find them in real life and say, "I will fucking kill you if you don't press the pre-submit button," you know, then it's cool. But when I have to like go through this fucking detective maze, it's putting the red lines and the pins in the wall just to find the one guy who was like, oh, I clicked the button, dude. Like, I don't know. Anyway, so here is where the big thing comes together, right? So, do I want to have the... Do I want to lock myself out of chests, basically, right? If I lock... Well, I guess I could just make a chest. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Well, we're gonna temp... Or at least for now, I'm going to lock myself out of chests, okay? So, I'm gonna have items. And then... Well, okay, let me... Let me think. Is there any inventory in fact? Okay, I'm gonna open Factorio. Fucking whatever, dude. Every time I'm like, I don't want to open Factorio. I don't need it. I don't need it. And then I need it, dude. What do I gain? Well, it's basically like what I was thinking. What I'm thinking of doing is having an essentially items and then output. So you can only remove item from an output, right? From the output dictionary. I mean, I guess I could just have them equal for a chest. What are the UIs in Factorio, bro? Okay, so we got this guy. This has only input output. I can't do this. Yeah, okay, good. Well, crafters need to hold some items, but that you can't, like, you cannot remove from the inputs, right? Like if I put iron plates in here, well, actually, right? You can't, right? Can you? Hold on. If I put iron plates in here, and then I get a filter inserter. Yeah, see? I can't. It doesn't do it. Doesn't work. Right? Unless I... Maybe I have to put in more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, for crafters it doesn't. Yeah, labs you can. I know that one. Labs you definitely can. But yeah, crafters, once the input is in the input, you cannot take out of input, which is why I was like, okay, I guess if I have something like something similar to, yeah, I'm probably gonna have something similar to a lab or something. Something will come up that becomes like that, right? So, yeah, okay. All right. I guess that makes sense enough, kind of, maybe. Maybe a little bit. Can I bounce for the evening? Seems like you gotta figure it out. Surely. It's crazy that that's the conclusion you came to, but I appreciate it, dog. Anyways. Appreciate the good luck and the good sentence. I mean, okay, the only issue that I have with like... Basically, the only, like, blockage I'm coming to with remove item is that, what do you call? Like, remove item, in a chest. Like, okay, if I have a chest, give me, like, a wood chest. And I put down, I put, like, you know, like this. And then I put an inserter, right? It takes out... Oh. What? Wait. Oh, okay. It's the last item, right? The only reason I'm like a little iffy on this is because it's gonna be random, right? Because this is a dictionary. If I if I just do if can remove item return -1, right? And then I want to do like I guess I just do the same thing here. Or no, so I do like items. Is there even like a dot first? Oh, there is? Really? Yeah, does this work? No, okay, it's really mad. But okay, regardless, because they're not sorted in order that they got put into, right? It doesn't work. If you pull out of a chest, you probably don't care much about the order anyways. I mean, I guess. But like, it would look stupid if it pulled from random ones, you know what I mean? Yeah, okay, fine. Fine. How do I get her? Do not use generics with link things. They work. Oh, wait. So I just do this? Okay. I'm just gonna look it up really quickly. C# dictionary first. What is the syntax for this shit, dude? Like dot for. Oh, wait. There's a link first. Oh. Okay, hold on. So I swear I did that before. Whatever. Whatever, dude. Okay. Wouldn't be random every. Oh, you're right. Yeah, it would. I guess it would finish the one first and then do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Or actually, let me do ID here. Then we can just copy paste, right? First dot key. It doesn't let me do that. Oh no. Right here. Dot key. And then I just bro. When am I ever wanting to get my diff ever? Brother. The answer's never. Okay, and then we can just return ID. Oh. I guess it needs to take into account. I guess. Yeah. Okay. Int count. Well, okay, hold on. Let me think for 1 sec. I guess if rather than having remove or can remove item, this probably shouldn't be greater than or equal to. It should just if it exists, right? And then like okay, so if I want to remove 4, like okay, let's say that we have our stack or our insert or upgrades, so they can pull out more than 1 item at a time, right? And I pull out 4 items from what do you call? If I pull out 4 items, like if it can remove 2, I always like there's never a time where it's like I only need 4. And if there's not 4, I'm freaking out, right? So let's just have it always, or any remove item will just be if it exists, return true, and not, right? Addictive int is kind of useless. You could just make an array by IDs. It would be a lot of. I mean, like you're saying, like an int array of all IDs, because dictionary is hash map, so it's like it's basically fast enough almost always, Why don't you split insert stacks slots from output ones? I will in the future. So yeah, like so basically for this one specifically, it's gonna have items and then output or no output. This wants to be essentially a chest. That is how I'm trying to implement this, right? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it was like a map and not just a hash set that just insta does it, I might have more of an issue, but a shmeep, dude. Right, okay, so yeah, if it's greater than 0 and if it exists, then we return true. Then, rather than doing this oh, okay, hold on. So this should be an int. This should be an int. Rather than returning false, it should be so if item ID is less than 0, we don't want to throw. We want to still do this. Okay, no. So first I'm gonna get int amount equals 0. So amount equals count plus items ID. And then down here we return amount. And then I guess this should be equal to count up front, right? So basically, if it's not equal to 0 or less than 0, then we just return the count. And if it is equal to 0, then we just remove the ID. Then there should be else if actually here. Then, if it is less than 0, so okay, 4 and I had 3 left. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay. 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 So then, here, I'll just do 0, not -1. That way, if it just says it removed 0 items, and that's fine, right? So yeah, same. I'm gonna copy. Bro, can I remove GitHub from Visual Studio? I never want to git diff like this, dude. I mean, maybe I should want to, but I don't, dude. Oh, I'm looking at Python code. Holy fuck, dude. Bro. This is why I should just always brace my code, dude. If I don't brace it, shit like that happens. Holy shit. Brother, no. Okay. Alright. And then we just add an int amount up here, too. Okay, and then in here... Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, you know, one thing I really, one of the biggest things I really like about Python and even JavaScript, I mean, any duck type scripting language, is the ability to just return a tuple wherever the fuck I want. It's so nice, dude. Just return x comma y. It's so good. I don't want to have an out here. Out sucks, bro. Like, I just never want to do out, you know? I mean, I guess I could return, like, you can return like this, right? But, like, this sucks. You know? Okay, it doesn't suck that much. I mean, I just don't wanna, bro. I just don't wanna. But there's no way I can, right? There's, like, literally no, yeah, okay. I think I have to do tuple here. So how can I return like this? Is that chill? No. Okay, so I have to do new tuple int 0 0. Yeah, okay. Okay. And then this whole shit here. And this will now be ID, and this will be amount. Okay. Okay, so this is our base tile inventory class now, right? This basically has everything we need inside of it to function as what it should do, right? If you configure editor config, you can make all braces with Control ED. Well, I mean, ED. I feel like that's a bad key combo there, you know, but whatever. Can return short one int or int ID int count. Oh. To do a disconnect. Uh-oh. What do you mean disconnected? Am I streaming? Am I here? Am I all alone? What happened? Dude, this has happened before. It's still streaming on okay, hold on. I'm gonna open the YouTube stream. Is it good? Did it just buffer for 2 seconds? Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay. I don't know what causes that to happen, but whatever. It's fine. YouTube's okay? Alright. It's a little freaky, you know, when that happens. It's a little bit freaky. Okay. Yeah, so this is all good now. I can actually also delete all of this. This is all worthless. Okay, so now iCrafter. No. iCrafter is not going to inherit from that. I'm going to make a public class crafter or tile crafter. And this is going to inherit from tile inventory, right? Oh, these need to be rituals. All these need to be ritual. Virtual, okay. And then this also probably needs to be protected. And this needs to be public, I think. Alright, actually, no, I can just do int max items. Nah, that's, yeah, I'll just make it public, that's fine, whatever. Crafter doesn't have tile inventory inside because, well, it's... I don't want the interface to take in from this, right? Because the tile, the crafter interface should only be adding a tile crafter, right? Not both. And this should just inherit from this. I believe, at least. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna move this up here just because I like doing it this way, right? Why? Well, I mean, because this is, well, this inherits from this, right? So like, I don't need, because otherwise I would have to have both a crafter and an inventory, which would be bad, right? We only want to have, like, if this inherits from this, I don't need both of them, right? Like, I basically want to do this, except then replace this, not with tile inventory, but with tile crafter, and this will be crafter, right? That's pretty much what I want to do. What I want to do. So now this does not implement a crafter, which is fine, and then we'll do that, and it'll just implement, you know, a class in here, or one of these, right? So inside of crafter, we want to have a public dictionary. Okay, hold on. Let me think about it first. We want to have an int to int. Or no. This is just not a dictionary. It needs to be basically. So once again, right, in here. When you select any given thing, right? So now it can only take in wood, right? We want to have a list of items that, for the crafter, there's a whitelist basically of items that can go inside of it. And then also, there needs to be an output, right? So rather than having, well, okay, actually, you know what I can do? Maybe, Crafter should have inventories inside if I get it right. Well, but it does though, because it inherits, right? Like the tile crafter class is gonna inherit from tile inventory, so it'll have this inside of it by default. If I have this inherit from this, then I'm gonna have to implement both an inventory and a crafter, which again would be doubling, which would be stupid, right? I mean, unless I want to do it a different way. Like, I guess I see where you could be coming from, where this is its own thing, and then this would just interact with this, but I think that's a little... It makes more sense to me this way, I guess is all, right? Like, it's just, if I do it this way, I don't know if it'll ever come into a... Oh, actually... I guess it could be a problem if I tile inventory, like, so any checks with I tile inventory will not work with iCrafter. Yeah, okay, that is actually a little bad. Hold on, what if I do this? What if I do this? Does Crafter complain about both? It does, yeah. because okay, so let me paint the picture of my perfect ideal world, right? Essentially, I want it so that every inserter can just look to see if the thing has an iTile inventory, and if it does, then but then we want to call the things in here, right? Well, okay. I guess. Why do I need a crafter interface? Well, I want a crafter interface so that I can. Well, I'm getting lost in the sauce here a bit, I think, dude. Hold on. So, okay. What is the point of an interface? The point of the interface is to know that the interface exists, right? Like quickly and easily. So I can just call if thing as thing, then do X, right? So if the tile in front of it as iTile inventory, then do X. The crafter interface, I guess it doesn't need to exist. I guess. Well, okay. No, it does. The UI needs to know if it's a crafter. So if I click, basically, if I click on a crafter, it should always call certain functions that populate the UI correctly. But I guess other things don't need to know that it's a crafter, right? Other tiles in game have to have 4 interfaces. Okay, I see where you're coming from with input inventory and output inventory, but that to me is, I don't love doing it that way, I guess. Because it just makes it a lot less easy to understand in the future, right? Crafting interface might be needed if you want to buff crafting speed or something. Yeah, that's also true. I mean, okay. What if I leave this empty? How is that's really stupid, right? But like theoretically, right? If I put it as an iCrafter, right? Like, okay, theoretically I could do this, right? Implement interface, and then I do crafter or tile crafter. Right? Like I could do this and then have this just return crafter. Right? And like, you know, it'll still work. Empty interfaces is a normal thing? Is it really? Bro, that feels horrible. Just having an empty interface. This feels... hold on. Empty interface. C# empty. I'm not saying I don't believe you, but I don't believe you. Are empty interfaces code smell? What the fuck is code smell? Is an empty interface a strong sign of design problem, or is it widely used? They are called marker interfaces and are apparently widely used. Okay. Okay, I don't disagree. It is literally stinky. But you know what? This makes sense to me, how it'll work. And it works the way I want it to. So, I mean, okay. What would be better is if there was a way to overwrite this. Like if there was a way to like virtual this, you know what I mean? I mean, obviously that doesn't work that way. Or even remove it entirely, you know? But I guess this works. It's just, it is very weird, bro. It's really weird. Now 4 interfaces, 2 can be empty. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you mean. So I make 4 interfaces and then just have them all be tagged? It's so stupid, but I guess it works, dude. I guess. An empty interface is just like a crappy bit flag? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's a bit flag that, like, is baked into the code, right? I don't have to do it myself. But anyways, I do see what you're talking about. So I have an interface for input item and output item, and then for this one, tile inventory, it would just take in from both. No, I think that might. I mean, doing it the way I'm doing it right now might come to bite me in the ass later. But I think it just makes way more sense for all the data to be stored in one class to me personally. Okay. that's all it boils down to. And if it sucks and later, then, you know, you get to say I told you so and I get to be sad. But that's normal. So yeah, I've never heard the term smelly code until today. Is that a real thing? Code smell. What? You can have literally stinky code? Bro, why haven't I called people's code? Dude, next time I review someone's code that sucks, I'm just gonna put stink lines, dude. Wait. Stink line emoji. Okay, I guess I could just use the poop emoji. Yeah, I'm just gonna slap this shit all over the over my next code review, dude. If it's bad, holy fuck, dude, that's crazy. That's crazy, dude. What the fuck, dude? All right, whatever. So anyways, basically all I want to do for this is gonna have a list, or actually this will be a public list because whatever, of ints. Actually, is there a C# deck or set? I mean, C# deck or set. Set collection. Yeah, this guy. You have hash set. Okay, I don't love that, dude. Well, okay, hold on. Let me... Hash set, it is hash... I mean... Okay, let me... What I actually need is a map... without the value. I mean, I guess I could just make an empty dictionary because basically I want to have it so that, you know, my O or my ON of find is what do you call? Is either constant or, you know, as close to as possible. Is that a set? Wait, I thought... Is that what a set is? I thought sets were... No, yeah, because they're in an order, right? They have an order, so it's not a set, right? Vector is... A set is a vector that can't have multiple the same thing, no? Oh, unordered set. Okay, yeah, okay. Well, hash set is probably an unordered set, so... because it's a hash map. So yeah, I guess we'll just use the hash set. Okay. And then this will be like, I guess, filter. I guess. Because this is basically going to be, you know, what the right here, I guess I'll make a setter for this. Set filter. Okay, we'll fill this out later. Okay. And then, other than this, so yeah, you're saying that I want 2 inventories, one for output and one for input, which I mean, personally, I'm thinking of, I would rather just do this, right? I'd rather just have dictionary of int to int. Yeah, dictionary of int to int of, and this will just be like our output. Rather than doing it that way. And then I'm basically just gonna have to kind of redo all these functions now that I really think about it, which kind of sucks a little bit, but that's okay. I guess this should take in an item, right? Actually, hold on. Let me also just make an item. Crafted, or item to craft. Craft item. So you can just use 2 inventories and they function. Okay, I guess I do see what you're talking about. Yeah, it's kind of, well, okay, actually I do see what you mean. So yeah, I make a second tile inventory that is output, and then I just call the same functions on it. Maybe that is a better idea, actually. Let me think. Does all the logic still function though? Here, you know what I'll do? I'm gonna make in here public bool insert only, and public bool remove only. Describes like you don't walk with dog's legs, you just say dog to walk. Dude, that's the most ancient Chinese proverb shit I ever heard in my damn life, dude. Here, I'll set these both to false by default, so that they don't. And then I guess, yeah, I guess I just do this. Output. Guys, this is so strange, dude. Yeah, it's so weird, dude. It's so weird. And then I guess I actually have to make a constructor here, right? Where I do output dot remove only is true, and then insert only is true. So the inventory inside of it. Yeah, I guess. No. This shouldn't exist like this. This should not be like this. This should instead be. Oh no, but it has to though. Oh, dude. Maybe I don't. Okay, so basically I see what Sergey is talking about, where I can have. Basically, just have 2 inventories inside of this, and then they interact with each other inside of the function here. But, well, okay, like, I like the idea of that, right? I think that it actually makes sense to me. I mean, I guess I can do it this way, dude. I guess this technically will work. So basically, the one it's inheriting from is the input and the out. So, okay, what I'm thinking of doing instead of doing it that way, because I think that way is weird, is I just have two inventories. And then I just overwrite these functions in here to not even do this, but to instead call the correct way. So like can insert item would go into, right? So let me, like, if I do this, I would overload this, right? So public override bool can insert item, right? I wouldn't return the base. I wouldn't even call the base. I would just return input dot can insert item, right? Which is super weird. I mean, this is smelly code, dude. I mean, maybe it's not, but it smells smelly to me. That there's a better way to do this, because the issue is that I need this to be polymorphizable, right? So that then I can call the functions later. This is so jank, dude. This is janko clock, dude. What does code smell like? Good, I guess it should just be like air, right? Where good code smells like nothing, you know? Like if I'm sitting in a room and it smells like air, I'm Gucci, right? But the second something starts smelling bad, it's very obvious, you know? You know what I'm saying? You cannot do it like this. Just provide getter to inventories. Well, again, so the big reason why I want this tile inventory to exist in the first place is so that everything that interacts with inventories can use this base class, right? And then I just overload them like this. It's basically just two chests with some logic inside. Okay. Maybe I do re-architect this in a little bit in a different way then. Okay, so let me it's time to open paint, chat. It's time to get serious, okay? It's time to get serious, all right? So, okay. Right? So basically, here is the idea, or this is where it all stems from, right? So we have inserter and then question mark here. Who knows what this is? But we know this has an inventory, right? This wants to be able to interact with any block that has an inventory. That's the big reason why we want to have the interface in the first place, right? It's the reason why you sometimes don't make the interface just a pointer to a component. Yeah. I'm like going back and forth between. I'm going pee. I gotta pee. That'll fix my brain. Okay. Inserter, more like back inserter. I think Adi is the true genius here today. You know? Okay. So, go back to paint. So, we always want to be able to know that there is something in here. And also know that... or how to take and insert items into it, right? Then also, how do we implement different question marks with these, right? I mean, okay. One thing I could do is, rather than doing the pointer thingy, right? I could have, you know, these 4 or I think 6 functions in here. And then for anything with the tile inventory. I mean, it's a lot of duplicate code, basically, right? If I do it that way. Like, so I could put can insert item in this rather than have this, right? And then anything with an iTile inventory, it just has to basically call this function and return it, which is annoying as shit. Like, it's really annoying. But that does get me the exact functionality I want. It's just very annoying. Every time I want to make any new item, I have to do a bunch of copy paste, which sucks ass, right? I don't want that. Was that better? Is that better? I think it might be better. Wait, no. Okay, I say that now, but then it doesn't work, right? Because then I would have to put the inventories into Crafter. Dude, this is getting okay. Bro. Bro, okay. Explain it again, I wasn't paying. I hate Alex. Okay, basically what I was thinking is, so to get the functionality I want of this, right, is essentially a lot of duplicate code. So rather than having a pointer to the inventory in here that we have a getter and setter from, this would just return, or so, okay, I would basically do this, right? Right, do this, and then for any item that is just a chest, I have it contain an iTile inventory, and then we define this function by just returning the iTile, or not the we have it contain a tile inventory, and then have the iTile inventory. This function will be defined as just returning this one. Then for a crafter, it doesn't need to do this. It has 2 tile inventories inside of it, and we define the same functions in the same way. So this can remove item would just call iTile or tile crafter can remove item. So it's a ton of copy paste code every time I want to make a new interface, which is why I don't really like that option. Yeah, is what I was also thinking. It doesn't seem great to me. I think tile crafter should be iTile inventory. Okay. Wait, you think it should be iTile inventory? Because that doesn't, you know, work. Because tile crafter needs to be this, right? So I can always call it back from here if it's doing it that way. I mean, I guess again, it just smells like it's a stinky code, dude. This to me is stinky, bro. Like 100%. But I mean, it would work. It would work. Like, it really would. The point of the interface is telling other things what they can do to it. I mean, I guess. It is a lot of copy-paste code, though, for real. Right. Why not get it for both of inventories? Like, both of these? An internet needs to know what it can put in and take out. That's all it needs to be. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Actually, my brain is unlocking as we speak, dude. I'm understanding the universe. Okay? Expansion. Yeah. Okay. These should not. I mean, okay. This. Yeah. Okay. This shouldn't be a class, and this should definitely do this. Yeah. And then inside of every tile crafter, or inside of like my base crafter, I want to have eye crafter, and then it's gonna have to, I'm gonna define this as returning these two, right? Okay, let me think about doing it the other way then, right? Let me think about both ways. So, if I don't do it this way, right? And I instead do it this way with the pointer shit, right? And I have this take in as a tile inventory. Then I don't have to redo the code every time. It's a lot easier in terms of programming. Like there's way less copy paste because I don't have to actually go through and implement all the functions in the tile, because the actual tile inventory itself is going to be very simple to implement. It's literally just going to be calling functions. Like basically tile crafter will have the same 6 functions, and I just have them return that, right? Whereas this way I don't have to do that, but it's a lot, like the actual definition of the crafter is a lot worse. It's like way worse this way, because now it has an inventory inside of it, and it makes a lot more sense for it to just have 2 inventories inside of it. That is much easier, I think, to understand. I mean, it would almost make it easier if, like... Okay, hold on. If I put tile inventory on the tile crafter, and I have that have its own interface, then I can define these 6 functions inside of this, right? And then... Oh, is that the way maybe that's the way... Well, no... Okay, hold on. Okay. Remove inheritance crafter and add 2 getters to inventories. We'll make it components tile-ish. I mean, well... Hold on. Okay. Okay, so my issue with the way that works is that It's just like, okay, so basically, okay. Let me also define this in the words, right? I want it to be simple to add a crafter to the thing, right? So if I want to add a, so let's say I want to make a furnace, right? Furnace, and it's actually basically identical to, you know what? Let's say this. I want assembler 1, assembler 2, and assembler 3, right? 1, 2, 3, like in Factorio. But for whatever reason, I want them to actually have some difference in their, like, the way they work, right? But they're actually all the same. Let's just say I want to do it that way, right? What I would like to do is build it, say, here's my interface. Attach it to all 3 of these. And it just works. So that I don't have to, because currently, if I were to have iTile inventory, or if I have it like this, and iCrafter exists on iTile on top of iTile inventory, and I put this like this, then I'm gonna have to, for all 3 of them, define all 6 functions, which that to me is kind of L. But that's what interfaces are made for, right? Like, that's the point of an interface. That's the point. Yeah, I guess maybe it's, I mean, it's L to my brain, because I have to do it. Which is why I don't like it that much. Yeah, I think I'm approaching that the wrong way, and I should just use inheritance for that. Yeah, that's what I'm realizing, is that if I don't want to create 6 new functions every time, I should just do inheritance, right? Can have a base crafter class that inherits the interface and implements the 6 functions. Yeah, but the problem is then, is that now, right, this doesn't have the interface anymore. And that means I can't know if it has an inventory inside of it, right? Like, that's the issue to me. I mean, again, I could just, you know, have an if check and like a list of things that just says, oh, this is a crafter. Okay, cool. Check mark. And then now I just have an implementation to go grab the crafter or whatever. Like, okay. So I assume what you're saying, Alex, right, is I do this, right? Like this, essentially. And then this would implement these 6 functions over here. And then over here now, right, the actual crafter, how does it get, like, it would have a tile crafter inside of it, right? And then now it no longer has the iTile inventory as part of the whole class itself, right? I see the game as perfect smiley face. You know, at least unsub button is always coming in with the positivity, dude. That it's always ready to fucking ship it out, huh? I'm gonna go get water real quick. I'll be back. You call code freeze? I think that wouldn't work, because then it would die. Well, okay, yeah, so, wait. So, we have 2 classes, right? We have Tile Crafter, which uses the inventory interface, right? And then so this, like... Oh! Okay, I'm dumb. Well, okay, then I have multiple inheritance though. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm unlocking the secrets of the fucking universe, dude. Okay, yeah. So this should inherit from both iTile inventory and then tile entity. And then this should just inherit from tile crafter. And then, so this would be the base crafter. So anything that wants to have a crafter inside of it will inherit from this. which inherits from tile inventory and tile entity. Both of them. And then, this would be crafter 1, 2, and 3, which would just inherit from tile crafter, which would then have iTile inventory inside of it. And I don't need iCrafter. Or maybe I do. Maybe I do. And then we just implement those, and it's fine. I think that is the way to do it. Which really shouldn't have taken that long to get to this point. But, you know, I'm like 80% sure that's the right way to do it. I think this sounds like it makes sense probably. And that's good enough for me to start fixing it, dude. Okay. So, tile inventory is going to have these 6. Right? Then, iTile inventory is going to repeat the same 6. We're not going to have the pointer in here. We're going to have the same exact 6 functions inside of here. Okay? I wish there was a faster way to do this, huh? If only there was like a faster way to do this. Can remove item. And then this one also. Okay. And then this one. Go to the ritual. And then this one. Okay. Extract interface by refactoring. Well, look, it's done. Like, I complained, but it really didn't take that long, you know? So, okay. Yeah. So, okay. Wait. So, tile inventory. This is a tile entity with an inventory, right? That's what this is supposed to be, essentially. So this should actually implement tile entity and iTile inventory, right? And then these should not be virtual anymore. Wait. Right? Hold on. Wait. Yeah. Okay, I don't know why it's all red. Why is this so angry, dude? Oh. Okay. Public partial class. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So now I also have to do a couple other things to make this like work at all. Tile entity needs to call ready. We need this. Base.ready. And then we probably also needed a process. Okay, you know, there's a lot of things about C++ and C# that, like, I really should know by heart, I feel like. But I actually just don't. Like, okay, for example, if I don't put an override void exit tree in this, does it call this one? Or does it call this one? Does it call the normal one? Or does it call this one? I have no clue. I mean, my mind tells me that it calls this one because it's inheriting from this one, and if I don't implement it, it makes that one. But, like, actually, I don't know. Like, if I'm being truly real, if it overridden, it calls child one. Okay, so it will call this one. I don't have to make a dummy function to call the base, right? Okay. Okay. I mean, like I said, I guess in my mind I knew it. Like, I know that it works that way because I've done this kind of thing before. But, like, if actually asked and to know, I'm not entirely sure. Like, I would just assume that it works that way. I mean, we'll know. We'll know for like at least for this one, right? Okay, right. So then now iCrafter.cs implements iTile inventory, and also wait. Tile inventory is a tile. No. Tile inventory is not a tile entity. No. Yeah. Okay, hold on. This should not be called tile inventory. It should be called like this should be called something else. Like this is not a tile. Like so, tile inventory should be a tile that you can put down and has an inventory. This should just be the base. This is the actual logic implementation of the inventory itself. So a tile inventory will just have one of these inside of it. So this should be called like here, I'll call it base. Nah, base tile inventory doesn't also sounds bad. What do I call it then? What do I call this actually? I don't know. Once again, chat, naming your variables and your classes, it's the hardest part. You know, again, do you know how many times I've submitted code up for code review and they've been like, oh, the logic here's bad? It's like fucking, I mean, occasionally, obviously never, but like almost always it's like, yeah, so your variable name here is wrong and I think it should be called something else. It's literally almost never the logic of my fucking code, dude. Like, tile inventory makes so much sense, but it can't be called that. It can't. Fucking hell! It's impossible, dude! It's just... Is this why they make you take English as a CS major? So you can make better names? Dude, where's the naming conventions fucking class for CS majors, dude? That, you know how much more helpful that would be than fucking OChem? I mean, I didn't take OChem, but I'm sure some people have. If it was abstract, it can be called inventory base, but why not just inventory? I mean, I guess it could just be called inventory. The only reason I don't like that is because player inventory is just like, I don't want to get mixed up between them, you know what I mean? Like, if I have a class called inventory, I don't want to fuck it up and think, oh, this is just the inventory. Because, you know, if you say the inventory, generally you're talking about if I press E and open my inventory, right? See, he took that. And you know what's not helpful? Inventiles. Now that's a good idea. Okay. You know what? It's time. Thesaurus.com. Inventory. This is not what I mean, list of stock. No. What is the word for inventory in a game? Like, item tabulation. That's what we should call it, chat. Tabulation. Storage. That's a good one. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. All tiles will have storage. Okay. Sure. I'm fine with that. I mean, you know, actually, now I think about it, I will say that, you know, the player inventory and this, I mean, you know, technically, I could make the player inventory take from this, actually. Because now that I think about it, the player inventory and that, they're actually very, very similar. It's take item, give item, right? Which is insert, remove item. It's like almost exactly the same. Which is a little weird. I don't like that actually. It makes me greatly upset. Fuck, dude, bruh. I mean, I'm not gonna do it now, but honestly, maybe I will in the future. I'm kind of almost okay with that in the future. Well, I don't know. Actually, no. I don't want that. You know why? Because then in some dystopian future, yeah, in some dystopian future, I'm gonna have it to the inserters direct insert into my inventory. I mean, maybe that could be a mechanic, dude. You know. You know, I could have that work. There's no chest in the game. You're the chest. Oh my fucking god, bro. You know, maybe I will actually do it in the future then. I'm like not super duper against that. Can call a storage for items stack a pallet. Pallet? Nah. That pallet is a town. You know? Yeah, I guess they're like the over items mod in Pozone kind of did do that a bit. Okay, so let me implement interface. Okay, great. So now this is storage input equals new storage and storage output equals new storage. Okay, great. So now we want it to be, so output is remove only and input is insert only. Okay, so it can't insert item if remove only return false. Right, and can remove item if insert only return false. Okay. Oh, and same thing here. Okay. So now... Okay, so I do think actually I'm gonna have to have an interface for crafters. iCrafter will be for it to update the UI and stuff like that, right? Because there are gonna be things that need to know like what a crafter is. So we can do that. We can do that for that. The iCrafter will be not this, and will instead be a way to populate the UI, right? Okay, I'm gonna go pee real quick. I'll be back. Okay. And that took 2.5 hours, dude, to get to understand how took us 2 hours to understand basic polymorphism again, huh? That's crazy, bro. I mean, to be fair, I think I have a wow. I feel like I have a better idea of what an interface should be used for, but I fucking this shit's hard, dude. Okay. Okay, so tile crafter. This one does actually inherit from tile entity, and it needs to be a public partial class. And then we need to have a ready, and that's it. Right, just a ready. One of these goobers. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's fine. We'll copy paste this over. Okay, it's in the wrong file. I guess it should not be iCrafter. This should just be in Crafter. That's okay. So make it ready. Let me just call base.ready. What? Am I stupid? Oh, underscore ready. All right. Right. Okay. Okay. Actually, I guess I don't even need this, right? Here, you know what? This is the real test. Okay, if it actually calls ready or not. Okay, that's the real ass test. So, so we got a filter. Oh, we don't need this anymore. Actually, oh no, this can go in the ready here. Right. We can put this in here rather than in what do you call? I hate this, but I gotta. Yeah, I hate anybody and everybody who puts like what do you call, like underscores in their shit. Like, okay, I understand, right? Like there's a lot of people in the world who really like doing, like, for all your member variables and functions you put M underscore. I cannot deal with it, dude. Like, bro, my pinky or my ring finger, yeah, I hit this with my ring finger. My ring finger to hit underscore, my pinky from holding shift, come on, man. Yeah, I hate that shit too. It's awful. Actually awful. Okay, so we want to have a function in here called like public void set item, right? And this will have an item. Then we're gonna set craft item just equal to this first of all, right? Then I guess for each bar item in item dot materials. Actually, rather than have this be filled, I'm gonna call this materials. So materials dot insert or add. Okay. Matt. Oh. Well, I forgot. I forgot materials. Okay, yeah. So Matt dot key. Wait. I guess I mean I don't even need this now I think about it, because I have the item. Yeah, okay, whatever. Delete this shit. So set item is all we need. Yeah, that has all the shit we need inside of it, so that's fine. Actually, let me do this real quickly. Oh my god, I love get, dude. Okay. All right. Like this, right? This works. No. How do I? You can have a set, right? C# set. No, not set collection. Get set. Oh, like that. Okay. Set, and then the colon. How do I have it set a function? That's encapsulator. No, I don't want it to be a private site. I want the setter to be this guy, right? No, it doesn't make. Okay, I have to do this, I guess. So I make this a public craft item, and then I make a private item. Item to craft. I kind of hate this shit a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, so now we have only getter for this, and then we can call a set here, right? I guess I guess I should just do this to make sure that I know. It doesn't make a difference though, right? Okay, this has 4 references. Oh, because these are okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so no set filter. That doesn't exist. Okay, so this actually doesn't. This also needs a. This needs a process. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. One other thing we need to do is in here. Craft type materials, and then we need one more like. Here, let me put. I guess I'll put it up here. Craft type, and then craft time. We'll have this be like 5 for now. In seconds, I guess. Whatever. Whatever. What's up, object? Oh, right. I didn't do that. Whoa. Yeah. I forgot. This doesn't link to this. Wait, what the fuck? How do I link it to... How do I link it, dude? Right, that would have been bad, huh? that would have been pretty bad, huh, dude? Okay, return item to craft like this. Okay. And then I don't need the semicolon? Oh my fucking god, dude. What? Oh, I need a semicolon in here. Ah, okay. Whatever. What if I did? Okay, it's fine. No private set. The setter doesn't exist. It's fine. Okay. I'm sure it's good. It's fine. All right. Yeah. So now okay. Now I just do this though, right? I just do. I feel like this is so easy before, and now it's like not harder, but you know. Replace it with okay, but if I replace it with the arrow, that's only the getter, right? Not the setter. Like if I do this, we're Gucci. This is only get, no set, right? Okay. So stupid, dude. It's fucking so dumb, bro. Okay, in here really quickly. We gotta have. So in here, there's materials, right? Material, no. Oh no, that's where's just item. Item.cs. Okay, craftable items, craft type, public. Double craft time. Okay. Yeah. Let me actually. This whole function can just go away. this whole file is worthless. Okay, we're just gonna copy paste this file to the other one. All right. At the end of this. Okay, this one's just gonna get deleted. iCrafter.cs is. I mean, well, I might keep the crafter on, but probably don't need to, right? Okay. So process. All we're doing is. If the UI is visible, we're setting the shit to be correct, right? That's it. Well, we can do that later. Let's just set this for if UI is open, update bar. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is make it so that you know, this state actually sets up the state on the UI. I want to have the UI reflect this, so I can basically I can have 2 different crafters that actually like have an inventory. Because first of all, I don't even know if any of this shit works, right? All this shit, who fucking knows, dude, you know? So we gotta make sure that I can even have two states that actually stay. If we can do that, that's already a W, brother. Okay, so first things first. I need to remember. Okay, first let me just run the game. We don't crash, right? I mean, nothing should change. Should all be the same. Oh. What? Wait. Oh. Oh. Okay, no, it's fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This right here. Hold on. Just get rid of this. It doesn't matter. Okay. Go again. That is a crafter. I completely forgot. I forgot that that's an item. That's like an actual item. Yeah. So if I click this and click this. Oh. Wait. Let me Control Z a bit. Where does it open the inventory? Did I not do that? Fuck. Okay. Wait a minute. Where? Oh, because it has iCrafter. Right. This is used somewhere, right? Yeah, if tile is iCrafter, then we do this shit. Yeah, okay. Okay. So let's do this. Rather than have the function just be called in here. Yeah. So iCrafter will have a body of void, like just on click, right? That's it. And then up here, this will also take in an iCrafter, and then implement interface. Yes. Okay. Good. So then in here, this is where we now update the UI, right? To add, or this is at least where we update the state of the UI. So we're gonna add the inventory items to said UI, right? Which is actually, now that I think about it, it's gonna be harder than I kind of thought it would be. A bit, which is kind of suck. Why is on clicked and on iCraft? Well, because all crafters, what do you call? Well, okay. I know other things are clickable, but they'll all have their own on click, right? Like if I wanna have a thing have an on click, like this is this for all crafters. They need to have an on click in here, right? Okay, hold on. First, yeah, okay. So the way I've set this up is that anytime I want to make a thing that has a crafter in it, I don't add a tile crafter, I have an inherit. So this should just be tile crafter, right? And then we're good. And I don't need this. This doesn't even need this anymore. Yeah, and then I can get rid of this, right? And then in here now, so in game UI, not game UI. What the fuck is what? Oh, okay. Delete this. All this also goes away. Okay, that's fine. If that's all the crafter interface is gonna do, then you should probably make the. Oh yeah, you're right. You know, maybe you're right, dude. Maybe I make an eye clickable. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, sometimes, you know, sometimes this Alex guy doesn't miss. Okay, objects in base. Add eye clickable. We don't need to. Who actually uses this? Does anyone actually use namespaces, like either professionally or just by yourself? I don't think I've ever actually used the namespace, like ever. Like I know that it like helps you organize your code and shit, but like I don't know, dude. Maybe I'm a bad programmer. You know, like a lot of times I stream game dev stream. I'm thinking just like I'm just fucking. All I'm doing right now is showing that I'm a bad programmer, right? But at the same time, I've worked in a professional environment and we didn't use any of them, you know. And again, maybe I'm just throwing our code base under the bus, but I don't know, dude. They're powerful in terms of what, like, okay, what does the namespace do other than having you have to type namespace : right? Because I mean, the famous namespace is standard, right? In C++, you gotta fucking, you know, fucking bro. Everybody in the whole damn world, when they first started working in C++, types using namespace std, you know. But outside of that, what does it do? Like, isn't it just basically so you can have it's so you can have things with the same name in global space and then not have them fuck it up, right? But that's it, right? I feel like namespaces are only useful when you use crappy third-party garbage that doesn't namespace and use the same space. Yeah, exactly. That's what it's used for. It's just used so that when things get activated into global space, you're not depressed forever, right? But outside of that, it doesn't do anything, right? Can separate logic, and when they collide, types can be overridden. I mean, I guess. But I don't know. It just doesn't seem like super useful. No? Like, I should say, okay, I should say it's not useful enough to the point where when I add a C# file for it to put it in a namespace, you know what I mean? Okay, where does this get used again, by the way? UI preview. Okay, so the tile is crafter, iCrafter. Okay, wait. So I want to do var on or click equals tile as on clickable. Uh-oh. Or no, I clickable. Yeah, right? Click, it's already being, oh, my mouse. God. Okay, I click, whatever. Dude, I'm Apple. Dude. You can just use the file tree namespaces. I mean, that also works. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of having to type more. Okay. When you start to make things with reflections, it can be very, very useful. Why? I guess. I mean, maybe because I guess for reflections, there's a lot of the same shit. I guess. Fine, we'll null check it. Like if it. You know what? I will assert. I can't assert. There's no C# assert? Oh, debug.assert. Okay. Yeah, I'll just cause this should crash. I know I just said asserts are cringe and I hate them, but you know, this really should die. Like that just means that the item I forgot to put the I clickable on it. So, yeah. Okay, so yeah, now I can just call iClick.onClick, right? Okay, so inventory UI. How do I? Okay, so we gotta figure out how to actually get specifically the ones we want, right? Okay, so let me pass in. I guess I just pass in a control, right? On click, iClickable. Okay. Anyone in chat, does iClickable in Factorio, or does anything in Factorio when you click it not change the UI? Is there any like even like this, you know, this changes the UI, you know, or opens the UI or something, right? Like I basically just want to be able to pass in a control always. Is there anything in this game that you click and it doesn't open UI? I don't think so, actually. I mean, I guess I could just do like... I could just do this. No, even conveyor belts, look. Even belts, you click them, and it opens a thing. It does it. Breaker? What's a breaker? Rocks. Well, I think you can't click rocks though, right? Like, you can't click those? Oh, I get... Okay, if you have like Nixie tubes and stuff, like they're like the mod for on click, then it is a different click. Okay, no. You know what? I just realized. Who cares? Right? I'll pass in a control and just pass in null if we don't want it. The amount of things that that's going to be used for is so rare that I just don't care, right? Okay. So we want to put crafter UI. Yeah, crafter UI? That? They're a thing that shut down part of electrical network. I guess that would be useful, but I've never used it before, and I don't know where to find it or even what it looks like. Oh, power switch. No, see, even this one, it opens the UI. I don't think there's anything in Factorio that you can click on that doesn't open UI. Again, I think there are buttons, like I think from the Nixie Tube mod, from some mod, like maybe simple buttons that you can click, and those ones actually do have no UI, I believe. But yeah, I think everything opens UI in Factorio. I mean, it doesn't matter, right? Like, I could just pass in null, and when we lose like 8 bytes of fucking BSD storage. Oh no, dude! Why does that need to be so huge when the wires are like a string? Cause you can't plug this string in, okay? Actually kind of cool. Although it's a little weird that it curves, but it's pretty cool. Now again, even conveyor, everything open, like, cause I think no matter what, they always open some stupid little window like this, you know? Everything that's clickable in this game opens a dumb window. Like the only things that don't. I think walls just don't do anything. Walls just do nothing, right? Yeah, see, I'm clicking it. It just doesn't do anything. So I think, like I said, I mean, again, it doesn't matter because I just pass it null. For the ones that doesn't matter, I just don't care. I think gates do open the stupid like thing. I'm pretty sure. No, they just don't do anything. Never mind. Yeah, so these ones don't have an eye clickable, except it's in C, it's in C++, so there's no. This is like, you know, probably like done in like a way different way. Actually, you know, I just realized what's kind of interesting is that, like, this opens this, you know? Like, this and this are the same exact window. And honestly, this might be the same exact window, but they just populate the stuff. Like, yeah, that little box is the same for everything, which is kind of interesting. Items on floor. You can only right-click them. You can't left-click them, right? Like, look, I'm left-clicking, it doesn't do anything. So even those, I don't think there's anything that's bound to left click in Factorio, except outside of the simple buttons mod or whatever the fuck it is. That's the only time I've ever seen it, at least. Okie doke. So we got this crafter UI bullshit. Oh, well, okay, but you can't, you click with fish. You don't click on the fish, right? Right? Okay, so we need to get this guy. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna call this input. And I'm gonna call this output. Okay. So, I believe you can do something like this. Access as unique name. Here, let's call it crafter UI output. Okay. And now this is accessible by a unique name in the node path. So I think so in crafter on click in here, I should be able to UI get node, and then I pass in percent crafter UI output. So let's just var x equals that, and then we're gonna breakpoint here and see if that even works. I think it should, but it definitely might not. So I put one down. Hey, it's not even getting called. What? Oh, I okay. Run it in here. Okay, so put it down. Okay, does it work? Great. Okay, nice. So oh, okay, hold on. So this needs to be called like crafter UI input, right? And then rather than having these be called anything, well, okay, hold on. Let me duplicate this a couple times. Here, we'll have a maximum of 6 craftable items. Okay, at any given time, right? 6 crafters at any given time, and then we'll just hide them for what we need, right? So when I open a crafter, so let's get var input equals UI get node percent crafter UI input. I don't know how slow this is, to be fair. Actually, I could export something in here. Can I export a static, actually? Hold on, can I do that? Let's see, export. If I can export a static, then we'll just do that, and that's way better. So, export, static, control, what's it called? Fucking crafter UI. Oh, shit, I can. Really? Okay, that's good. Hold on, okay, let me just double check. Static C#. This works the same way in classes, or in C++ classes, right? A constant or type declaration is implicitly a static member. Static member can't. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Hold on. Static can't be used with that. Yeah. So so there's basically only one of these ever for the whole type. So that's what we want. Yeah. You need wires, iron plates, chips, gear rods, or gears, rods, and some magic to make something. Okay, hold on. In mods, there's at least a couple things. Like, here, hold on. Look at this. Look at this bad boy right here, dude. This guy. This needs, yeah, 7 things to make the Spidertron Mach 3. Like, there's a couple that take. I mean, this one, the original one takes 8. See, there's a couple, but it's most of the time that you just, you know, you're not. Maybe for some giga mega crazy base, maybe you're automating Spidertrons, but like, I don't know, dude. I don't know what Mega Base needs to automate. Needs that many Spidertrons, dude. You know, 2 is enough to like completely destroy even the biggest nests. So I don't know what base needs to automate these. Also, they probably are laggy. You know, I can't imagine the Spidertron leg logic is that fast. Sure, it's not that slow, but I cannot imagine it's that fast, right? For building, I mean, yeah, but you still only need like, again, like 2 or 3, right? You don't need like 100. Uh-oh. What? Whoa. Please restart the editor if unloading was failing. Okay, we're gonna restart the editor. Oh, okay, hold on. Save, and then restart. I don't know what happened, but apparently it's very angry. It's very, very upsetty. Okay, let's try now. Alright, whatever. You know what? At least it told me to restart. So I can't be that mad. So, okay. So now, yeah. Crafter UI in... Crafter. Oh! Damn it. Yeah, it doesn't work. Shit. Fuck, dude. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I can't even see it from here, even though I put export on it. Huh. Okay. Well, I can't do it anyways. All right, wait. Surely this is not a slow operation. Get node can't be that slow, and it's only on click, so it's like whatever, dude. 5 to 7, I think. I see one YouTuber using. See, that's like. That's not the point of automating them, you know. That's the point of you automate the materials and craft into your hands, right? So I'm gonna go pee again. I'll be back. Okie doke. So now I have the input and the output. So okay, so I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is set all of these to be invisible, right? So for each var child in input get children, child.visible What if I what if I do node 2D? Is that, does it not like that? Okay, good. Visible. Equals false. So just set them all to false. And then this is output. Output equals. Okay. So now we have our craft item, right? Item to craft. Yeah, okay. So if item to craft not equal to null. We are gonna have to set up more UI in the future, which is unfortunate. Or like, okay, you know, when you put down this, it does this first. So we're gonna have to make that, which is fine. It's cool, you know. Anyways, we gotta put this. We'll fix that later, okay. The problem is right now, this screen will open the inventory for sure. Or this one. This is gonna open your inventory, which we don't want to have happen. Again, I'm copying, okay? gotta copy the UI where we can, alright? We hate UI here. Okay, so back to this one. Item to craft not equal to null. Then we are going to for each var item in item to craft dot no or materials. Yeah. So you know, I have a question really quick that I want to answer. Are assemblers actually not, or like, okay, are all assemblers in Factorio actually like, you know, synced differently? Because I was just thinking, like, you know, rather than having a polling system for crafters, you could cheat it a little bit and basically have every single crafter have the same like tick update speed that then they all just read from. That way you don't have to pull. Well, I guess you still have to pull them. Well, okay, let me just check it anyways. I'm interested. So this one, we're gonna wait till it's like, you know, halfway done, right? So there. Duh. Okay, are these actually synced differently? The animation is, but is the, oh wait, no, wait. Fuck, they're gonna fill up. Okay. It hits now. Actually, I can just watch these. Oh, they are desynced. Okay, so I do they really poll over every crafter in the game? Every frame? I mean, I know it doesn't... It sounds kind of stupid to ask that question, but like... I don't know. I guess I'm just surprised. I mean, there's probably a smarter way to do it than to poll over every single one. But it seems to me like they're basically just polling over... seemingly, they are polling over each assembler every frame and updating how much they craft. Which again, it's not like it's that slow, but you know, you got 20,000 assemblers in a world. That's still 20,000 function calls that you gotta make. Which again, it's not like that's slow, but I just wonder if there's a better way to like somehow. Basically, what I'm thinking of is trying to if you can update only one variable and have every crafter like read from that static variable, and then I guess they have to update the UI. Like every frame, I don't know. Maybe, I mean, another thing you could do is you could just have it so that like, you know, there's a, okay, one thing you could do, I guess, is have a global event system for like when things should be done. So like all iron gears will be done every certain amount of ticks, right? And then all copper wire will be done every certain amount of ticks. And then you just send out a pulse to every single crafter that's, and then it's like, okay, hey, if you're to every crafter crafting gears, you're done now. You're done now. You're done now. I don't know. I feel like that's probably over-engineered a bit and maybe even slower. Okay, so we gotta do int count equals 0. And I'm also actually I'm gonna do var children, or let's just do inputs equals input.get children. Put it out here. So then we can do var or node 2d node, or I'll call it inventory item equals input count. Has to be as node 2d. Okay. What? 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 Oh, inputs. I'm stupid. Okay. There we go. Okay, I probably don't need this now, right? We're chill. We're chill. I'm not chill. Fuck you. Okay, whatever. So inventory item visible equals true. Then we gotta set up what's inside of here. So inventory item dot what do I have in here again? Use update or update physics ish. I mean, again, I know you can like just pull. I mean, it's polling is always like, to me, seemed bad. Now again, that just might, again, there's a lot of times where it just boils down to like, you know, I vastly underestimate how strong a computer is and how fast it can do function calls and shit like that. But still, like, I don't know. I mean, in a lot of engines I've made, when we have over, you know, 2,000 to 3,000 sprites with an update, and the update's not doing much, it's the lag. Now, I didn't really profile those games to understand exactly what's causing it to lag, so I don't know, but still. Okay, so basically I have set texture and set item count. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set up a new function in here. Public void set item. This is just gonna be a very easy way to you know, set up our shit. So item manager get item. What the fuck is this called? Oh, I just have to call item list. Okay, ID var item equals. Yeah, physics update calls every. I mean, I'm gonna end up using physics update probably because I mean, every Factorio-like game runs at 60 updates per second, so I'm probably also gonna do that. You know, it just seems like probably a good idea, right? Okay, yeah, I guess I'll null check it or whatever, dude. No, fuck you. I'm not null checking it. Okay, all right, fine, fine. We'll null check it. Okay, so then set texture to item.text and item ID equals, yeah. Okay, it's very simple. And then basically in here, instead of just storing this as a dictionary of int to int in my actual item, I'm gonna store this as item to int, because again, items, there's only one copy of them in the world. That's the goal, right? So then now in item manager, I have like so few files, and yet somehow they all get away from me, dude. Okay, so yeah, in materials, Oh, I forgot I do this. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so I need to make a new dictionary of. Actually, not here. I can do this easier. So rather than I just can't do equals obj anymore, which is so easy. It would have made my life so much easier, dude. So I gotta do for each var item item 3. God damn it, dude. Here, material in obj. Real items dot materials dot add, and then or item manager, or no, item list, material dot key, and then obj dot value, or material dot value. Okay. So now that should create, it should fill them with the actual item class instead, and then I can just call the thing that I need. Inventory item, set item. What the fuck did I call it? Wait, it is set item. Oh, it's node TD. Okay, hold on. This needs to be inventory item. I think this should work, right? Let me double check. This is an inventory item. Okay, yeah, good. Dot set item, and then we set this to item dot key. Oh wait, I forgot. I just set it to not. Okay, hold on. Here, we'll make 2. It's fine. That'll probably come in useful later. Okay, and if it doesn't, we waste it fucking 8 bytes. Who cares? Okay. Item. Okay. Alrighty, there we go. So we set the item to here, and then that's it, right? Okay, let's just see if this even works at all, right? We'll just see if this works, like, even 1%, I guess. Here, for now, I'm just gonna default these. Item to craft. I'm just gonna default this to be a, item manager, item list. 6, I think, is conveyors. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. So if I run it... Oh, actually, hold on. Let me... No, don't run it. Don't run it. Uh-oh. Okay, it's fine. Look, oh, I just wanna hide the UI, okay? No UI. Because now, it's gonna be buggy if you don't click on it. Oh. I didn't save! Okay. Alright, so... Uh-oh. An item with the same key has already been added. Key tile crafter. What the fuck? Okay. What happened, brother? Failed to unload assemblies. Oh, no. Okay. Why is this happening suddenly, dude? Maybe I need to restart my computer. But the C# is just not doing the. It's not compiling anymore. Okay, one more time. Bro. Bro. What happened? Okay, what if I don't hide the UI? Bro, what the fuck happened? What? Okay, hold on.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Dude, I swear to God, every day I do game dev stream and I make this shit. I run the game after doing some changes and everything fucking breaks. What happened? I lost the ability to input in my game. I can't close the inventory. What? Okay. We're going back to Pain City, huh? Okay. Okay, first let's check. Is it the input? Is this just not working anymore? No? Okay, it worked. Hold on, what about this? E. No, dude. Oh, no! Okay, hold on. Wait. Game UI. What the fuck happened, dude? On toggle inventory. Oops, I did it again. But what did I... How did I do it again? What did I even do again? What the fuck happened, bro? Like, it's like the signals aren't connecting anymore. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna run it in the editor again. Maybe, okay. Like, how did my input break? How okay. All I changed was the on click in here. What if I just, here? Is debug assert not real? Or what the fuck, dude? Okay, we're gonna undo here for a little bit, okay? Just until, all right, run it again. What the fuck, dude? Dude, I thought today was gonna be a day without fucking great pain! But somehow, every time I do anything ever in my life, everything breaks, dude! Oh, I have my GitHub is, I set it up. It's there. I could revert to early. I mean, this is maybe why I should commit code more often instead of just doing it whenever I fucking feel like it. Did I change anything in here? No, this is all from a long ass time ago. Okay. Comment the whole function out. I mean, this is all I changed since it was working. Okay. I have to assume that something horrible broke with the unloading C# something bullshit. So I'm just gonna clean solution and build it, okay? Like, it's literally like, it is literally like my player input function. Wait. What? Wait, it is unbound. What the fuck? Wait, whoa. Wait. Oh, no, here's another big issue. Yeah, please check. Failed to, okay, we gotta, what is this, dude? Okay, hold on. Tile crafter is what's freaking out. Hold on. What is tile? Do I have multiple or something? No. Alright, hold on. Assembly reloading can fail for various reasons, usually because a library used in tools code is not compatible with assembly unloading. After unloading has failed, C# scripts will be unavailable until the editor is restarted. Yeah, that's what it seems like happened. Something horrible happened, dude. JSON.net is not unloadability friendly, and not, hold on, it's green now. Yeah, okay, let's restart everything. I don't know what the fuck is going on, dude, but I'm a little scared, okay? You know what, let's not even open IE. Let's just run this now. Okay? Just run it. An item with the same key has already been used. Key tile crafter. What the fuck? Hold on. Godot tile crafter. Is this like a thing? No. What the hell happened, dude? Okay, I guess I'll try to rename it. Maybe something I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna rename this. All right, we're gonna rename this to Tile Crafter E. Okay. Oh god, and then it failed again. Well, it didn't give me the error like last time, but it's definitely still giga broken. I mean... what is the UI? It's not that smelly. I mean, okay, it is, but like... all UI is smelly if you think about it, Pip, okay? When I go pee, I might have to... I might have to git revert to my last push, which was a long ass time ago, but just to see what the fuck happened, dude. Like, I don't know. Isn't this the time for get diff? Oh, no. I like somehow it's I mean, I don't know what's happening, dude. Like it's seemingly saying that I mean, like okay, hold on. What the fuck, dude? Is it freaking out, bro? Okay. How the fuck do I have it go? How do I just have it? Okay, enter. Okay, I need to see what changed in main.tscn, dude. Inventory UI, yeah, it's whatever. Item manager, yeah. Because I'm pretty sure that somehow it deleted my signal from player input, right? Like, cause player input.cs, it has an emit signal call, and this isn't like I don't set it up manually, so I don't know what happened, dude. Like. I mean, okay, hold on. No. Let's quit this. Bro. Why, dude? Why me, dude? Like, why me, bro? I have Chick-fil-A from earlier today. I'm fucking hungry and bad, so I'm gonna eat it now. Okay, hold on. I am going to... Hold on. I'm gonna just revert. I'm gonna XD. I'm gonna revert back to my old version, and just to see if my main.tscn lost the signals, like that is really not poggers, dude. You know? Okay, git checkout, and I just paste this. Yeah, okay, reload. Dude, what? 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 It straight up deleted my signals for player inventory and player input. They're just gone. Oh. Why, dude? Oh my. Bro. How does that happen? Okay, hold on. It's time. Godot deleted signals. No, it's not here. Oh, dude. Why? Why did my scene just get cursed, dude? But that's a bad bug, bro. That's like... I mean, okay, okay, I'm gonna git switch back to head. And it just deletes them. Yeah, my signals just get deleted. Which is crazy. Like, that's really bad. It's like, again, that is insane how bad that is, dude. That's horrible, brother. Okay, alright, hold on. I guess I'm just gonna have to merge my previous two together. Like I have to merge my main from here back to this one. I don't know what else changed, right? Like other things, like if a bunch of shit changed, it's really bad. Okay. All right. I don't even know how to. This is where I start. I mean, like, my Git skills aren't like super duper amazing. I don't even know how to merge my files back together, dude. Okay, here. Let me do this. I think I can. I'm gonna fucking. I don't want to dox some random shit that I don't want to show. But where the fuck is Yeah, I should probably get a Git UI. Do you have a recommendation? I've always used the command line, and I learned when I use P4V for 2 seconds that it's way better. Main.tsc. Yeah, this guy. Okay. Git, check out this. And then I need it from this one. How do I even do this, bro? It's git checkout, blah. Yeah, okay. This, and then like that. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it just I have my old scene now. All right, let me grab Git Kraken. Get cracking. Bro, why does this have to happen to me for like right now, dude? Oh, it doesn't work with private repos for free? I mean, I don't really care if my repo's not private. I don't really mind. But it's just, why did this happen to me, dude? Like, why did like, I swear the signal or the dude, I don't know. Dude, I don't know. Okay, hold on. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna first things first. I'm going to look. What does a scene file look like? Is it readable? Okay, it is. Okay. Do I even have tortoise merge? Toise merge? Okay, I gotta go get that, I guess. Okay. I hate tortoise fucking merge, but I have to download all of SVN just to get the merge. Bruh. Bruh. I'm not getting SVN. Fuck SVN, dude. Okay, well, how? Okay, here, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna copy paste it, and then look at a couple things. Okay. Okay, git pull. Oh, I have to do it this way? Okay. So we got this one and this one. How do I diff these together? I know you can. Yeah, VS Code should be able to do it, right? How do I let me just diff files VS Code. How to diff a file in VS Code. Yeah, okay. Oh, I can do it that way? Okay, hold on. Look, we'll get back to like real shit in a little bit, okay? I promise. But this is unfortunately extremely painful. Okay. This is a painful time that sometimes just happens, okay? And unfortunately, it happened to me. So what's up, Ezekielify? By the way, so just for the record, my fucking everything just died, okay? I don't know what happened. The content is shit now because everything died, okay? Godot either bugged out or something bad happened. I don't know what exactly happened, but a bunch of shit fucked up, dude. So right click this and select for compare. Oh, I see. Okay, wait. How do I do it by GitHub? Git diff from the activity bar. Yes, this is the one. Okay. How do I see more than just the changes, bro? I can't go backwards? Okay, whatever. It's fine. We saved it too, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and then compare with selected. Did it delete my script too? No, okay, that's still there. Okay, Jesus, dude. If it unattached my script too? Okay. Oh, no, this is the main copy. Wait. Which one is which? Hold on. This one has item on cursor. Item on cursor. Okay, okay. So copy is the left one. Okay, okay. Here, let me undo this. I need to select for compare and then compare what's selected, right? No? Okay, whatever. This one's better, I guess. It's at least showing what's added. So oh my god. Real men use Emacs? I think real men bro, Emacs is such a meme, dude. If you actually use Vim or Emacs, I don't know if I respect you or hate you. Genuinely don't know. Okay, so where's the signals? It's here. Yeah, it just deleted. Wait, what? No, okay, here. Game UI layer visible. Wait, no, hold on. What the fuck, dude? Oh, okay, yeah. It deleted all of these signals just from my scene. Why, dude? How? Why? Why, bro? Alright, I'm gonna assume that the rest of it is cool. Okay? I'm gonna pray to Jesus that the rest of it is Bing chilling, okay? Because if it's not, it's Jover. Alright, reload. What happens now? If I run it, does it at least work again? Or what? What the fuck's going on, dude? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pray to God that that never fucking happens to me again. Cause what the fuck was that? Brother. What? Okay, you know what? I'm committing right now. What the fuck happened, bruh? How did it break that badly? Like I don't think I've ever seen that happen before. Where it just utterly dies? I mean, okay, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's working again. We're just gonna ignore, pretend that didn't happen, okay? God, dude. God. Okay, alright. Tile crafter seemingly is not breaking anymore. Again, I'm just gonna pretend like none of that just happened. And we're just gonna go back to having a good time, okay? So, on click, right? Now, if I run the game and I click the crafter, it should populate the crafter with good data. What? What? Item on cursor is no. What the fuck? How? Oh, okay. So it also missed something. Okay, so UI preview. I assume. No, it's right there. What? How does? Dude, it's cursed, bro. It's cursed. I don't know what happened, but it's so okay. Oh no, dude. This shit is breaking again? Okay, what is this saying? An item with the same key has already been added, the key being Tile Crafter. Is that only... Okay, hold on. Does that only happen when I click on the thing? Is that... Oh, God. Oh, God, dude. Oh, God, brother! Okay. What did we change in... Okay, hold on. I'm gonna... What is this GitHub fucking link again and say again? What is this shit? Okay. So, it says, if unloading fails for your project... Ensure that you are not using one of the libraries known to be incompatible, which is Newtonsoft apparently, and System Text JSON. Which, now, you know, if you've been following along, right? That makes no goddamn sense, because I've had those packages installed since the beginning of time! Dude, I don't even know what this means. What is this talking about, dude? I mean, I have to restart because when this happens, apparently it disables all C# code. So, I don't know. This is a real Godot moment. This is beyond a Godot moment. I don't know what the fuck this is. This is bullshit. Okay, hold on. If I run it again, is it gonna fail to unload? Okay. You know what I know it's weird, brother? Is it works once. It works once, dude. Which is really bizarre. Like here, look. If I close this, if I close the game and run it again, does it break? No fucking way, right? Okay, no, we're good. Okay, so item on cursor is broken. All right, why? How does that even happen, dude? Item on cursor in game UI is an export, brother. It's export. It's exported. So it literally, it like can't break, dude. I mean, okay. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. So they did get unset. Okay, they got unset. Okay. All right. Item on cursor. Okay. Run it again. Is it gonna break? Is the assembly's gonna fail to unload or some shit, dude? No. Okay. Maybe it just works now, dude. Maybe it's just chill now. You know. I mean, it didn't work. You know, it didn't populate my crafter with good data. That's okay. That's fine. Oh, there's 30 errors. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Here. That's perfectly fine. We're gonna run it in the debugger now, okay? And don't break. We're good, right? We're good? Okay. Please. Please. Just let me finish. Let me finish what I want to finish today, okay? If I finish what I want to finish today, I'll restart my computer. You know, I'll do all the good stuff. Okay. Input.get. This died now? Crafter UI input is dying. Okay. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Access as unique name. Save the scene. Please don't die. Please, for the love of God, dude. Okay. Okay, well, it didn't do. It seemingly did not do what I wanted. Okay, hold on, let me click again. It's not even getting here. Interesting. Okay. Unable to cast object of inventory type to. Oh, yeah, it's fine. Here, inventory item. Okay, I don't know why it didn't break point, but that's okay. There we go. Was that so much, dude? Was that? I think okay. Okay, look. I know that we had a lot of lofty goals today, you know, that we wanted to get further in this shit, right? And I agree. I still would love to. I would, in fact, love to do that. But I'm worried for the safety of my project, okay? So I think I might call it for today. And then, I don't know. Tomorrow, I'll restart my PC tonight. And then tomorrow we will resume, and maybe it won't die, huh? That'd be pretty fucking cool. No? Maybe it doesn't die tomorrow? Cause fuck, man. All right, whatever. It's fine. Like I'm just like maybe tomorrow, you know, maybe by tomorrow, the skepticism will have worn off, you know, that Godot is actually a fucking dog shit program, and that it's good again, you know, like Godot. It took so much effort to gain my trust over this time, and immediately Thanos snaps it away, dude. Immediately Thanos snaps it away. God. God. Okay. Well. Anyways. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it for today, chat. I would have kept going, because actually I still feel pretty, like, again, if the program didn't delete my scene stuff, you know, I'd be feeling pretty fucking good, you know. I'd be feeling great, in fact. But it deleted my scenes. Yeah, there's no, you know why? There's no factory, because Godot deleted the factory. All right? Maybe if Godot kept the factory around and didn't fucking delete it, maybe there would be one. Maybe if Godot stopped failing to load my assemblies, whatever the fuck. I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. Again, I'm just praying that the errors that popped up today don't come up again. You know, I'm just gonna pray to God that the errors don't die, and we'll be chilling, okay? I've seen Godot wipe our world gen more than enough times. Is it actually? Is Godot a bad software? Like, look, it's one thing to crash, right? It's another thing to undo my work. Like, in fact, that is the one thing an engine cannot do. You know, Unity crashes and has bad UI? Whatever, dude. They don't delete my prefabs. Something jank about the scene stuff. Oh, you mean something jank about the basis of Godot as an engine? That's fucking awesome, dude. That's so awesome, dude. Wow, wowie zowie. Bro. Bro. Okay. I think I'm on the most updated version. I get here. Let's see. Help. How do you check for updates? Can you not? Inside of Godot? I don't know, whatever, okay. Dude. I don't know. I was gonna play game stream after this too, but that actually has wiped me of being able to like exist, dude. I'm so giga tilted. I'm so absolutely giga tilted right now that I think I just ended the stream. like this is like, dude. It didn't even like take that long to fix it, but you know, it's like stubbing your toe, dude. You know, you're in like a great fucking mood. I was so happy. I was so good to do everything, and then I stubbed my toe, and then everything fucking crumbled, bro. My mental, my physical, my scene. I'm on 4.2.2, so I guess I'm not technically on the latest version. And I guess maybe I should update. I guess maybe before next time I'll update, because this is horrible. This is fucking gigantic L City. Yeah, okay, gamers. Look, it was a good stream until it wasn't. Okay, it was a good productive day until it wasn't, and it was horrible. But again, hopefully tomorrow, I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow game dev again, because I mean, realistically speaking, the real reason why is because I'm getting kind of far into my interviews, finally. So if I get hired, you know, I want to get this to a point where I have the motivation to keep working on it, because I'm very worried that, well, okay, not really worried, but it's a very, very high possibility that I get hired and then I never open this ever again, you know? Especially if that is even if they let me, because a lot of game companies, they don't let you work on side projects that are going to be conflict of interest, aka in the video game realm, even if they're completely separated, like, you know, your player bases are completely separated. There's just a lot of them get shut down, so like by higher up managers. It'll be sad I like these streams. That's why, I mean, again, I'm hoping to keep them around, you know. I mean, I'm not like I'm not gonna say no to a job offer if they say I can't continue doing this, right? Obviously. But it would be nice. I mean, they're definitely gonna be lessened. They're gonna be lessened for sure if I get a job, because they're probably only gonna be on the weekend, because I don't want to. It's gonna be pretty hard for me to go from coding as my job, like my day job, and then immediately to programming on stream. That would be probably pretty difficult. So they'd be lessened. But like again, if I want to get it to the point where, like, you know, I at least have more motivation to work on it, because I think it's, you know, again, I think the project will end up being at least cool. You know, I want to prove to myself that it sucks before I know it sucks, right? So, and like I said, it's a big if, and I just want to. I mean, again, it also helps me for my interviews. You know, like doing random ass fucking shit like this is helping in terms of like interviews, because you know some of them network stuff's a lot of time in C#, so learning more about C# is always helpful. But I mean, you know, look, I have no words, dude. I have no words for Godot right now. Godot is actually made of evil, dude. Look, tomorrow. Wait, today's Wednesday, right? Tomorrow's Thursday. Okay, tomorrow I will try to stream at the earliest I've ever streamed, aka like noon PDT. Okay, and then we'll do. I'll try to. Okay, I'll try to finish what I didn't finish today tomorrow, and then we'll do a game stream after that. Okay. So hopefully I'll stream. My plan is to stream game dev stream for like 4 or 5 ish hours. And then, you know, when I normally start streaming anyways, when it's not game dev day, then we stream then, alright? Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching the stream, gamers. God, dude, I can't. It's fine. We're gonna restart I'm gonna restart my computer, okay? If it happens tomorrow, I lose all faith in everything that's been holy in this world, alright? So, fucking pray it doesn't, okay? Anyways, thanks for watching. Till tomorrow. Peace. Goodbye.